How's it going, everybody? Good afternoon. Steve the
Yo, yo,
Canadian, first one
yo.
in the house. Yeah, make sure to smash the like button. What's up, Steve? How's it going, man? You surviving
Easy.
this
Yeah.
bloodbath? DNA, how's it going, brother? How's it going, man? Well, what do you think, Michael?
It's spurting. Spurting out of the main arteries.
Man, it is. This market is rough right now.
Uh,
I think we can officially say this is a bear market.
yeah, I was on Hobbs' channel, and they were actually showing stocks doing the same thing.
I was watching it this morning, and actually before I jumped on stream too, just kind of looking at everything, and I mean, just the sentiment in all markets is just devastated. You know what I mean? It's crazy.
Yeah.
It is crazy. And then the whole Terra Luna thing, man, whew, that's wild.
Right.
And a lot of people, I mean, I don't know if people realize like how big of a deal that is that Luna did what it did. I mean, Luna's a big ecosystem, man. I mean, it's like putting it in comparison with like Kronos or Solana or BNB is bigger, but same kind of deal. I mean, they have an entire ecosystem and a supposed stable coin. So for it to fail, I mean, that is like that's a devastating blow to the crypto market, man.
91% loss. Gee whiz. 92.
Waddy, how's it going, brother? You doing all right,
What's up,
man?
Waddy?
Anthony Cardenas in the house. What's up, brother? How's it
What's
going,
up,
man?
Anthony?
You surviving the bloodbath? Jesus, it's wild, man.
I honestly haven't even looked at my wallets today. I
Nah,
don't even
me
want to look
either.
at them.
No, I'm not even looking, man. I'm just leaving it be. Just leaving it be. I've got
I
a lot of
bought
stuff
Crow. I
staked.
bought Crow, some more Crow. I bought it at 31 cents. I'm like, man, that's a good price. Then of course it dropped. I bought it at like 21 cents. I'm like, that's a good price. I think it's
Yep,
like at 19 now.
yep, exactly. Mike Oxlong in the house. How's it going, bro? Yeah, what he said. What's to stop this Luna attack happening to some? That's exactly my thoughts, man. That's what I've been thinking since all this started. Because the conspiracy is that you know a big operations like Citadel and Blackrock are behind this crash of the Luna ecosystem. That
Really?
they caused this to happen to take them out. And
Wow.
if that conspiracy is true, which it's a conspiracy, but there's a lot of stuff that I've seen even through social media that's pointing to it as actually being true. And there's no telling for sure, but and I'll jump into it a little bit more and kind of explain my thoughts, like what happened. But if that is true, yeah, what Mike said is exactly right. Like, who's to say that BlackRock and Citadel don't do the same thing to Crow or Solana or Ethereum? You know what I mean? I mean,
No.
Ethereum's huge, but I mean, if they can take down Luna, they have the opportunity to take down a lot of other big ecosystems, man.
If that rumor is going around, you got to assume that people may be preparing themselves to, just in case the rumor is true, right?
Yeah,
At least
yeah,
I would.
yeah,
I'd be like, I'm okay. Let me see what I can do to protect myself from this happening to me.
yeah, yeah. It's putting people that are looking into that, it's putting a super bad sentiment in the air just for the stability of crypto market in general. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because long story short, I'll say see here, Eric C, what's going on, man? How's it going, bro? Hope you're having a good day, man. Despite the market conditions, I'm just trying. I haven't looked at my wallets at all today, man. I'm just avoiding that and just researching a lot of stuff and kind of going from there, trying to stay positive.
Were you in that space last night?
Dude, yeah, I caught it a little bit late. But I mean, I listened to a good portion of it. I jumped on Cuff and the Dips channel, like just listened in, tuned in, and because he was streaming it, and man, that was absolutely wild.
Yeah, I was listening to it. I was doing other stuff and listening to it in the background. So I'm like, I just got tired of listening to it because it seemed like it was kind of going in circles.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so I'm like, you know what? I just gotta go. It's like going on 10 o'clock. I need to get up in the morning to go to my work, go to
Yep.
my job. I'm like,
You
that's
can just
enough
tune
for
in
me.
today and hear the details because they'll be
Right.
circulating. Alexander, how's it going, brother? Just buy Bitcoin. Dude, like, seriously, man. Bitcoin is definitely the safest bet, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Eric C, I can't stop buying. Dude, I know, right? Seriously, it's super tempting. I haven't bought anything today. I don't have a ton of funds to be able to buy, but I mean, I do have some allocated, but I just haven't pulled the trigger on nothing today. I'm just sitting back.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
Chaka, what's good, man? How's it going, bro? Selmo Fudd, what's up, brother? How's it going? It's the same up here in Ohio, bloody. I'm gonna buy more Kotama. Hell yeah, dude.
Mhm.
Kotama, what I want. Kotama, what I need. I'm buying everything I can help myself. Yep, seriously, dude. I
Right.
know. I keep looking at stuff wanting to buy, and then I'm just like, I'm just holding off for a minute, man.
Did you guys see the news that commission split with Saitama?
Yes, I was going to talk about that. I don't know if y'all have heard that circulate yet, but there is an official statement released on Twitter that the commission has officially parted ways with Saitama. They've severed ties with Saitama.
Due to market conditions.
Yeah, due to Saitama is fixing to be no longer. DCA baby, quick game. Yeah, I've heard some people playing the that Luna. I guess they say the Luna dip. It's more than a dip, but especially on the UST, which is Luna's stable coin or
Uh-huh.
not so stable coin. Because I mean, it dropped down to like I think upper 20 cents, and it's supposed to be pegged at the dollar. So it got down in the 20 some cent range,
Did it
and
really get down that far?
yeah, like 29 or 30 cents, maybe something like that. I'll pull up in the
Jeez.
chart, but so people, I know several people bought that this morning, and it ramped back up to like 67 cents or something. So they made like quick money. But dude, that is like that's a degen play big time. That's
I knew it was down yesterday, but I didn't know it was down that much.
Yep, it was down bad. USD tanked like in the middle of the night
Yeah.
last night. It was
Wow.
Yep. So congrats if you made money on that. I didn't have big enough balls to buy UST because you know what I mean. It's like, dude, it's failing so bad. What you know? But if you did it, there's money to be made, man. There's always money to be made. Just doing futures with Terra Luna. Yeah. I heard a lot of people doing that too, Waddy. But Shift and
Oh
Shibnobi.
yeah, I heard about that.
I heard something came out, but I haven't looked into it yet, so I don't even know what happened. Do
I
you know
haven't looked
details?
into it yet, but Shift failed Shibnobi's KYC.
Really?
Yeah, and I don't know if that
Wow.
has anything to do with the missing Shift tokens from Dojo Swap or anything.
We'll have to dig into that and see what's up.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. Um, nice, Anthony. Congrats, bro. Broke the
Yo,
100 subs
Anthony,
mark.
that's
Hell
what's up,
yeah.
man.
Yep. Keep on grinding. You know, it's tough. Like, because I never even knew I was going to do a YouTube channel, and now that it's going and it's been successful, and I'm super thankful. But dude, when the market's like this, dude, it's like today even I was debating about doing this live, and I'm like, man, it's tough to jump on here sometimes
Yeah.
when everything is like tanked, man. But then, you know, I talked to some other friends and influencers and stuff. I'm like, you know what? It's like the people that are sticking to it, you know, investors, subscribers, you know, just crypto in general, and then us that are on YouTube and stuff. If you know, if we weather through these bad times and try and bring, you know, a positive vibe to the space, man, just for people to visit and hash it out, like that's what it's all about, man. We can if we can make it through the rough times, then we're definitely gonna make it through the good times. So that's why I'm here. DNA Dimension in the house. How's it going, brother? Much love, man. Absolutely. Mrs. NFT Queen, how's it going?
What's up, Miss NFT Queen?
Hope you're enjoying your day. Congrats, Anthony. I need 19 more. Waddy's almost there too, man. Waddy's almost at the 100 mark. That's awesome.
I'm stuck at 88 for a couple of days.
Yeah, dude. I got stuck a few times in the past couple weeks. It seems like there's like a day or two where you're just stuck at a certain amount of subs and that's it. But yeah, man, it's this space is crazy, man. So, but it is scary because it's like, if that conspiracy is true with Luna, where Blackrock and Citadel are behind it, I mean, who's to say that they don't do it to another project, man?
Right.
Because for Luna to go down to $1, I mean, when it was at $90 5 days ago, it was at 100 and what, 118, $120, like not that long ago. Like the predictions were that thing could go to $500 to $1,000. So if it can happen to that project, it can happen to any project to get
Why
wrecked.
would they target them? Would be my question. Why them?
I don't know. There's I don't know if Do Kwon, who's the founder of Luna, if he's had beef with them in the past, or if they've had mutual ties to something and went south, or I don't know. I am researching it though, so when I find out more information, I will make videos about it, because that's a conspiracy. It may not be true. It may just be that the way they had everything built in their contract and stuff, it may just not been sustainable and it just tanked. Because from what I understand, like a lot of projects that have, or ecosystems that have a stable coin like USDC or whatever stable coin it may be, they're pegged to $1 and it's backed by $1. Like they have reserve funds that basically back it to the dollar so that it can't be too volatile. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But UST they don't have it backed completely by the dollar. They're backed by like a ton of Bitcoin and other crypto assets. So so like if Bitcoin tanks and everything else is tanking, then obviously it's going to affect UST because they don't have a stable backing. And then the other problem with their contract, I heard, was most stable coins, what they do, if it starts getting volatile, they have like an automatic transfer from their backing funds to pump into it to stabilize it. Well, in their contract with UST, they didn't have an automatic stabilization. So everything started tanking, UST started tanking, and they didn't have like an automatic transfer to try and stabilize it. They had to manually do it. And by the time they manually sold off Bitcoin and stuff to try and stabilize it, it was too late.
Yeah.
That's wild.
I mean, it's wild.
I mean, you're talking a $30 billion company and they don't have an automatic stabilizing mechanism built into their contract. That's insane. That is insane. Selma, I'll do my part to get you to the threshold, and that is to get you monetized. That is next for you. Heck yeah, man. We're all just helping each other out, Selmo. We're all helping each other out. I appreciate everybody's support, man. I really do. I appreciate everybody's support. We'll make it through these tough times, and just got to be smart and wise and not be too emotionally tied to all this stuff. And it's hard. It's hard to do. That's hard to do. What up, Legal? How's it going, bro? I usually promote blue chip because they're safe, but after Luna, I know, that's what I'm saying, man. It's like, blue chip. Well, okay. One of the biggest blue chips in the crypto market just damn near went belly up and still may. So is it safer to promote blue chips? Dude, that's wild. No, but I know you are legal. I heard you talking about it earlier. How's that short going, man? I'm sure it's going well because it's been dropping, hasn't it?
Yeah. Could have sworn I saw it back at 32 yesterday, and it's down to 28, I think.
But yeah, that if that conspiracy is true though, so they basically what they're saying is Citadel and Blackrock bought a shit ton of UST, the stablecoin for Luna, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're saying they bought a shit ton of it like recently, and then in turn they opened a short position on UST, and then they sold off all their UST position.
What?
Yeah, that's what
Wow.
they're saying's happened. So like they bought like millions and billions of dollars worth of UST, and then I'm sure it wasn't all one transaction because
Right.
there's supposedly like 250 to 300,000 people in that circle of BlackRock and Citadel. So if that's true, like they literally, and Citadel is the one. They're the I guess you could call it company or whatever you want to call it, that did the same thing to GameStop and AMC. They're the ones that were behind the major dump on that.
Yeah.
So if it's true, that's what they're saying they did. They bought up a shit ton of UST, opened short positions, sold it off, dumped UST, and then made a shit ton of money on the short positions and just absolutely wrecked Luna. That's wild. That is wild.
And then they tried to wreck GameStop, but they got caught with their pants down.
Yeah. Yep. Lively Void, Teddy in the house. What's up, brother? Yeah, everybody like the stream.
What's up, Teddy?
Please hit the subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll be pumping out information as much as I can on news, on Kronos Network, on crypto in general. I've got several AMAs coming up in the near future. I've got 2 actually tomorrow, back to back, tomorrow night. So it's going to be a eventful night tomorrow night.
Good.
I've got
You're doing it, man.
I've got just my mind just went blank. Who do I have on tomorrow night? I got CoinView Cap at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Keith with CoinView Cap. We're going over all the latest news with Keith. They've got some more developments going and stuff, so excited to visit with him. He's always got a lot of energy, and I really enjoy talking to Keith.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have
high energy.
What's that?
Keith.
Yeah, Keith. He's a good guy, man. And then I've got what's my other one? I've been talking to so many projects I can't remember what the other one is now. If y'all are listening, the other project, I'm sorry. I'll tell you in 1 second. My mind's just been everywhere lately, man, just with all this stuff going on. StreamYard. My mind's just been everywhere lately. Dang it. I'm trying to open up StreamYard on my phone so I can see.
No, I was getting ready to say, I got mine muted. I know that's not.
Oh, I've got Rising Sun token. Rising Sun token is on at 9 p.m. Central or Eastern Standard Time tomorrow night. So back to back CoinView Cap, then Rising Sun. So y'all tune in. Keith's a good guy, and Rising Sun is a newer project I've been just started talking with, and the dev is super cool. They've got a good thing going. I know Legal is partnered up with them, and that's actually where I first heard about them. I tuned in on some Twitter Spaces, and yeah, they got a good thing going. They've got a pre-sale going right now, which I haven't looked at. I'm sure any pre-sale right now is probably taking an absolute whooping because of the market, but
yeah, that's going to be what this one I'm doing tonight with the admin. I'm definitely going to be asking that question.
Yeah, if they're going to push it back or anything.
Yes, due to come out the 13th. Was that Friday?
Friday, gotcha.
Yeah, And
Yeah,
so,
Rising Sun is on Ethereum already, but they've got a pre-sale going for the Binance Smart Chain bridge. So yeah, I'd be interested to hear what they're going to say on your channel. What
it's a
project is it?
B project. So
Oh, is it?
people may buy into it still because it is BNB and the gas fees are cheaper. But
Yeah, absolutely. GGG's in the house. GGG in the house. Ganja Goons, baby. Ganja Goons. Crash Dave, how's it going? Hey, buddy. You got finished up with your house duties, huh? I'll shoot you a link right now. Give me 1 sec. Had some good GGG NFT conversations. Things nice. GGG NFTs. Hell yeah, bro. I want one big time. Teddy, you don't have a wrench? I thought you had a wrench. I'll fix that here in just a second. Eric wants 3 GGG NFTs. I also want some. I need to buy a GGG shirt. I still haven't bought one. I keep forgetting. Guys, I want to do some merch too. I know my channel's new or newer, so I don't have like thousands of subs yet. But dude, I did graphic design for years. I used to do like vehicle wraps and signs and all that good stuff.
Wow.
And self-taught on like Photoshop for years, man. And so I've thought up some really cool TX Tornado shirt merch, merch, shirts, koozies, whatever. So I want to get on the ball with that and start doing it. I think it'd be cool. Everybody likes merch, man.
I like merch.
Me too. Short Luna, my son. That is the
Spider-Man.
way. Yeah. Short Luna, my son. That is the way Master Splinter voice. That's hilarious, Waddy. Short Luna, my son. If you ask again, you're going to the corner. Yeah, Teddy. Ask for that wrench one more time, son. Teddy. Whatever happened to the Mac CEO project, Michael?
That pre-sale didn't fill, so they're going back to the drawing board. I don't know what they're going to be doing now just yet. I just know that the dev and his team are going back to the drawing board to see what they could do to get launched. I think they're going to wait, being that the market is in the condition that it is in right now, and then probably come out when it turns around.
Yeah, dude, it's just the market is so rough right now. Oh my God. I feel bad for any project that's new and trying to either survive or trying to launch right now. Oh my God.
Right.
It's bad. Crash Dave.
The one thing about the project I'm doing the live stream on tonight, they already got CMC approved.
Really?
Yeah. Surprised. I've never seen a project get approved before they launch.
Not many. I've only seen, I can probably count on one hand how many I've seen do that. That's inspiring.
Yeah.
I guess I'll give Dave, I sent you that link. I guess I'll give Teddy his wrench. I'm just going to go to YouTube and click on the deal. I guess I'll give him the wrench, man.
Mm-hmm.
I guess Teddy deserves it. Teddy, I'll give you a wrench for a GGG NFT. I'm just playing, man. Here you go. Done. GGG mods in the house. I'm just. All right.
What? I do have it on.
All right.
Watch hours work when I'm watching it on my account. I just have it muted. I wonder if that works for you.
Yeah, it should. It should account for hours, I'd imagine.
Well, good.
Mr. Dave, how are you, sir?
I'm alive.
Did you get that lawn finished up?
Yeah.
I did my backyard yesterday, and my front yard's real small, but I need to do my front yard this evening, or I guess I'll wait till morning because I'm going to be on YouTube tonight. So But yeah, it takes some time. Is that St. Augustine, your grass?
God, yes.
Yeah. My backyard's like half and half, and that stuff is thick, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
I love
It's
it.
grown like inch and a half in the past 10 days.
Dude, it grows fast. Like I guess it was 2 days ago I mowed my backyard, and it's already growing. It's like I should not have fertilized it.
Yeah, I did the same thing earlier in the spring, and I said screw it, and I scalped it this time.
Did you?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh man, firing the brewskis up, baby. Let's go. Bloodbath Market brewskis in the house.
Let ASMR begin. Let it begin.
Yep.
Oh, something. Damn, I don't have my e-cig on me. I'll be back in a second.
All right, buddy. You're welcome, Teddy. You're welcome, sir. Eric, you have been nominated mod, sir. Mod squad, yes, sir. Marty, how's it going, man? You surviving this bloodbath? Yeah, dude, it's just crazy, man. This market's just crazy.
It really is.
That guy, where is that guy? What's he been up to? Let me see here.
I bought some BNB because I think I am going to get into this pre-sale.
Do it.
And this was before the market even went even lower. I'm like, wow, you've got to be kidding me. So we'll see what happens tonight.
Yeah, I'm curious. What time is the AMA?
5.
5 o'clock, so it's 7 o'clock my time.
Yeah.
So in an hour. Cool. Yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed to Michael, go subscribe to him. Show him some support. He's an up and comer. We're all just trying to make it. Just all trying to make it. He's got great content.
Well away from 100. I'm trying to catch Anthony.
Is that your? Will that be your first AMA?
I don't want to call it an AMA because I'm not talking to any devs.
Gotcha.
I'm just talking to an admin. He's a admin in the Telegram.
Okay.
And so he knows a lot about the project. So, and I looked it up. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah, I'm interested to hear about it. You're welcome, Eric. You should be home in 30 minutes or so. Nice. Finishing up the grind for the day, huh, Miss NFT Queen? Just getting finished for the day. Oh, Michael's? Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna drop it in the chat.
Oh, YouTube channel, yes.
Michael,
take me over 100. I would gladly appreciate it.
And I bet I want to check, but if you guys haven't subscribed to Legal Alien, you probably all are. But if you haven't, please subscribe to my boy Legal Alien. He was trying to break 1,000 subs, and last I heard, he was at 999. So I'm hoping he broke it.
Let's see where Legal is. I got another account, Legal. If you're there, I'm going to just do it on my other account too.
Nice. I'm going to drop a link for Mr. Dave. Crash Dave. Crash Dave's crypto.
I've been sitting there talking and nobody was listening to me and I was getting pissed off.
Oh, and you were muted?
Mm-hmm.
That's freaking hilarious.
It says Legal's at 997.
Dude, it went back down. I swear to God, YouTube is messing with him, man.
No, he hit 1,000 and then he lost like 6 subs.
Yeah, I swear to God that they're messing with him just so that he doesn't get monetized.
And what I was saying is, Michael, since you're a mod in this channel, I think you're a mod. I think he made you a mod last time.
Yeah, he made me a mod. He broke mine.
Yeah, you can throw your own link in there.
Oh, yeah, you can. I just dropped your link in there, Michael and Dave. I put both y'all in there. Y'all go subscribe to Dave, too. He's got some very, very good informative content. Like, I enjoy listening to his content.
Yeah, with the market the way it is, it's kind of hard to teach lessons on people to get into crypto right now. I'm just reporting the bloodbath, and I put a video out last night that I actually found a play that has been up for the last 30 days.
Really?
Yeah. It's ranked 232, and it's an NFT project out of Eastern Europe.
Wow. Drop the name of it in the chat.
It's WeWay.
WeWay?
Yeah.
Shaman Says is in the house. Who's Legal Alien? He's just this guy from Houston.
He sucks.
Some pinche guy from Houston.
I subbed with my other account.
Yeah, illegal. Some loser. Dude, Legal, I swear to God that they're messing with you. That YouTube is literally messing with you so that you can't stay over that 1,000 mark, bro. It's funny. Marty subbed to Michael and Dave. That a boy, Marty.
Thank you.
That's awesome, man.
Appreciate it.
WeWay, huh? I'll look that up here in a minute. I will look that up in a minute.
Yeah, go figure. I reported on it yesterday. I sent it over to Baffles since it's an NFT project.
Yeah.
I don't know that much about it, so.
Oh yeah, he said he told me you sent him something. That's cool.
Yeah, and he's going to pick it apart, and of course today it goes down after I say, hey, I found something.
Yep.
Let me see if it bounced back today.
I want to pull up in the charts real quick. I'm gonna share my screen. But yeah, the whole Luna thing. Oh, cool. Awesome. Thanks, Eric. We got a shout out from Crypto Family Mike earlier. I was in his stream a little bit ago before I started.
Oh, nice.
And dude, he was pumping everybody in his chat to subscribe to us. I think he even put a link, or even put a tweet out on Twitter to join our channels.
Nice.
Yeah, I want to get him on the channel one day, or I want to go on his. I've yet to verbally talk with him, and he's a super cool dude, man.
All right, here's one for you. The bloodbath is so bad that yesterday WeWay was at 232. Today they're at 208. And they're down 11% in the last 24 hours, and they jumped up almost 7 spots. Yeah.
Wow. All right. Let's see here.
WeWay.
Trying to share my screen real quick. There we go.
Is that BNB?
Is it BNB, Dave?
It is. Actually, they're on both chains.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna refresh the screen. Yeah, it's that's what I said at the start of the stream for those that weren't in here, man. It's, dude, it's new. I'm new in the YouTube space, but man, it's hard to stay positive and come on here and do streams and try and keep a positive sentiment going when everything is getting wrecked, man. And I've just, mind over matter, made the decision. I'm going to keep streaming, try to do it every day if I can outside of work. And because we gotta all band together during the bad times, man, because we'll all come out winning at the end of the day when the market does turn around, because it will turn around. It always turns around.
Yeah.
So BTC is at 28,887. I figured it would go to 28. So I'm not super surprised by that. And Ethereum, I said 1,800 to $2,000, so it's flirting with the $2,000.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I did not think BNB would go down to 270 though. I figured it'd hit maybe 300, so that's wild.
I actually expect it to get down to 250.
It probably will, because it broke resistance big time. Solana at $48. See, Terra.
I'm trying to find the contract addresses for both chains.
Gotcha. Terra USD, the stablecoin, or not so stablecoin for Luna, is UST. I've got it up here, and it's all the way back up to almost 79 cents. So the founder Do Kwon is trying everything that he can to save their stable coin. This thing was down to like 29 cents a few hours ago. So whoever bought that, they just made a shit ton of money off of a stable coin of all things.
There's the address, and that's for both chains. It's the same contract address.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna check it out here in a second. I'll pull it up, open on screen. Yeah, they're, Do Kwon, the founder of Luna. I mean, he's more worried about saving their stable coin than he is Luna, because their stable coin is their. I mean, that's if their stable coin's done, it's over, But I heard what's going to have to happen is, and it may be happening now, is they basically have to have angel investors dump money into the project to try and stabilize UST. And I've heard they're needing like anywhere from $3 to $5 billion to make that happen. And supposedly the people they were reaching out to try to get those angel investments, they were basically going to give them UST for 50 cents on a dollar. So 50% off of whatever the current price was when they bought in as an incentive to buy it.
See, that's crazy.
Yep.
Man.
And it really pays to be rich, huh?
So
yeah.
Or let me say wealthy.
Yeah.
Because you need to be wealthy with that type of money.
So
I gotta get caught up here. That guy's in the house. What's up, that guy?
God.
Yo. Yeah, YouTube.
So anybody make any plays today?
Not a one. Not one.
I didn't make any.
I DCA'd on Jasmine and put a small position on AMP.
Gotcha. Jasmine's not at is pretty good right now. Like the last time I bought in Jasmine a few months ago, it was at this exact right around, if it's at like 0.012 or something like that. That's,
I want to say it's 0.04. Let me take a look real quick.
I'm waiting to buy some more Crow.
Oh, it's at 0092.
Oh, so it dropped below, it added a zero. I'll probably
and I jumped in at 0085.
I'll probably get a position back in Jasmine. I'm not a huge Jasmine supporter, but I know that they do have random run-ups, and you can make a ton of money on Jasmine when they do have a run-up.
Really?
Yeah, they're essentially the Crow coin in Japan.
Okay.
It's just not as stable so far. But they, this last run up within the past couple of months, I think they went all the way up to like 4.5 cents. So if you bought in at like, 0.008 or 0.009, that's a hell of a play.
Yeah, it went up to almost 3 cents in the last month, and its all-time high was just a hair under $5.
Yep. So that's a good one for people to keep on their radars. Not financial advice, but Jasmine you can definitely make money on Jasmine. The thing, I was more bullish on Jasmine last fall, and you know what turned me off of Jasmine, and I still acquired some, but it really hindered me from wanting to buy it. Del Scammo was promoting the shit out of it.
Oh, well, yeah, that would do it to me too.
But once Del Crypto was talking about Jasmine, I was like, dude, I really just lost a lot of faith in Jasmine.
What's the ticker?
Jasmine, JASMY.
Is it MY or MEY?
I think it's
MY. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other thing I jumped in on, because it's floating right there at 1 cent even, was AMP. Because, I mean, a week ago, it was right at a penny and a half.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's in a good spot right now. I'm just holding off for a second because I feel like that we haven't hit the bottom yet.
I don't think so either, but
you can sell DCA though.
Yeah, and that's what I did, because I had a position on AMP. I was at a little over 1.5 cents, and I figured, DCA in at a penny, make it a penny and a quarter for my average, and then Jasmine Oh God, what did I have? Let me take a look real quick. I think when I bought in, it was close to 2 cents. So buying it under a penny was the smart play.
Absolutely. Legal.
I mean, even if
yeah.
it does go down more, I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah, it probably won't go down much more, but Luna went from $90 to $1, so I can't say anything.
Yeah. Well, that's because they're trying to be the federal government with their stablecoin.
Yeah, the conspiracy, man, the conspiracy, and there's a lot of evidence pointing to it being true. So it's wild.
So what was that play, Racket Club?
Racket Club in the house. What's up, brother? How's it going, man? I haven't forgotten about you. I know you DM'd me yesterday about some to let you know on any kind of Chronos NFTs for you to just kind of study. So I will send you some. I actually found a couple. All hell is broken loose in the crypto space since we messaged each other, but I have not forgotten about you. Gonna be selling blood to buy the dips. Yeah, man. Seriously, let's go donate plasma.
Well, we all know Legal can't go to the sperm bank because he does it in his room all the time. So
he'll load up on boner bears and go down there and tear it up, man.
Yeah, and buy some crow dicks.
Yep. Crypto AI in the building. What's going on, brother? How's it going, man? Hope you're weathering this bloody crypto market storm. Man, I'm behind on the chats. All right, Waddy, be right back. Thank y'all for the congrats, y'all. But YouTube is screwing with me. I keep losing the subs when I hit. That's hilarious. I've heard that from a lot of people, Legal, but I heard that like after you get over that 1K mark and it stays, like then I don't know if they move you up in the algorithms or something and you'll start like gaining subs like super quick. I've heard that from more than one person. I hate to admit it, but I once made a 10x. I did too, Racket. Which one was it, Racket? Maybe it's the same one I got into. It was before I really did my due diligence and research and stuff, and I just happened to buy it really early, and it was ETH fan token. I think I spent $350, and it turned into over 20,000 in like a day.
Wow.
But since then, I will not listen to him on anything ever again. And I can't listen to him anyway unless I make a different account because he blocked me because I called his ass out for pumping projects that honeypotted, took all the liquidity out, and then basically reestablished itself. The project did, and they still kept promoting it. The project's still going, but everybody that got in on launch or on pre-sale got absolutely wrecked. And they just swept it under the rug and still kept promoting it and pretended it never happened. And he blocked me for it.
Damn.
Yep. That's where it's at, Bobby Basehead. Yes, sir. How's it going, brother? Sape, be safe is where it's at. And I'm officially, as of a day or two ago, I'm officially a Seifu ape holder. Seifu
Nice.
ape holder in the house. I was so excited I had to text Sean and tell him. Sold my bag as soon as I read him tweet accumulating. Oh, yeah. Yeah, COMT. I got wrecked on COMT. That was another one I bought because of him early on. That was the last one that I ever got into that he talked about. And I knew better. I should have never went into it anyway because I didn't trust him from day one. But after I made that, it was like 20x or shit more than that on that one. I was like, well, maybe.
Yeah, I almost bought in on Doge today when it went down to 8 cents. I was like, man, that's where I bought in on it the first time.
Right. I've got Doge. I've been sitting on in the red for a while, man. It's just sitting there. I'm not selling it. I'm not doing anything with it. I'm just leaving it there because if it ever takes off, then I'll sell it. And if it don't ever take off, then whatever.
Yeah, I sold mine just before the huge jump because I got in around 8 cents, 7, 8 cents, and I was trying to swing trade it.
Oh yeah.
And I was doing all right. I was accumulating a bunch of freaking tokens that way because I mean it was fluctuating 3, 4, 5 cents, every few hours. It'd go up, drop back down, go back
Yeah,
up, drop back down.
there was a period where you could definitely swing trade Doge for a minute there.
And I said, you know what? I'm going to do that. And I had almost tripled my bag just of tokens itself. And then I don't know what I did. I know that I hit the sell button. Or no, I know I hit the buy button.
Yeah.
And it just sat there and sat there and sat there. And it jumped back up and it bought at the high point instead of down at the low point.
Oh my God.
All of the accumulating I had done for the 2 days before just disappeared, and I had less than what I started with.
Ouch.
So I just said, okay, that's it. And I just let that bag sit there. And then I was like, you know what? I'm out. And I sold. I made a little bit in the long run. But I mean, it was nothing near what I could have.
Oh, I'm sure. Not changing the subject on you, Dave. I was just going to mention this. So this Terra Luna, like, to put it in perspective, guys, Terra Luna, like, just recently was at a $30 billion market cap, sustaining a $30 billion market cap. And right now, not the fully diluted, but the actual market cap is 1.6 billion.
Yeah, that's insane.
That's insane. And Luna is not like, I've seen a few people say, oh, Luna's a shitcoin just like Saitama. No, Luna is like an ecosystem, man. Like they have, like, they're not even in the same category whatsoever. And for that to happen to Luna is just, I still can't believe it, man. I really can't. Look at the trading volume, $11.5 billion in the last 24 hours. Jesus.
Yeah, that's everybody jumping well, I mean, now that it's down this low, it may be a bunch of people jumping in.
There's people making money, man.
Oh,
I'm too scared. I'm not buying it. At $1, I'm not buying it.
Yeah, switch from the low to high right there, underneath the price from 24. Do it to a week.
Where are you talking about? Here?
Yeah.
Low to high?
Yeah. Yeah, 99.24 down to 83 cents.
Yeah. I think the highest it went to is what, not too long ago, it was at $120. I actually did well with Luna. Like last fall, I bought Luna at I think $18 or $19, and I sold it at $99. I didn't have a lot of it, but still, like, I turned a little bit of money into a nice amount.
Yeah. The one thing that I'm waiting for this bottom, and I'm, my plays, I usually, $100 here, $100 there. I don't do big bags. Everybody talks about a small bag and they're saying, oh yeah, I did a small bag, $2,000. And I'm like, hello. No, that's not me. My small bag is $20 to $50 and my big bag is $100 to $300.
Gotcha. Yep.
And, I work for the state of Texas. I can't afford that. But Harvest Finance, I'm waiting to jump back into that thing.
Harvest Finance. I'm going to pull it open on a tab on my other screen here just so I remember it. Where is...
Right now it's trading at, I want to say it's like $83, give or take. Here, I can pull it up on my other device here real quick.
I've got a Kronos project, a Kronos play that I am keeping major tabs on that I think... I don't even know what it's at today, but dude, if it goes back up to all-time highs, man, you can make a ton of money on it. I'll pull it open in a little bit.
Yeah, well, Harvest Finance is essentially, it's a swing trade token. Do not keep money in it or anything, but right now it's at $37. This morning it was at $63. It was at 86 a week ago. And its high this month was at 110. But that's the thing, is it goes down like this for long periods of time. But if I go out a year, back in August of last year, August 9th, August 10th. I'm sorry. It spiked up to $438 a share.
Holy
Token,
hell.
whatever.
Yeah, that'd be worth $100 moon bag, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Is the ticker for Harvest, is it farm?
Yes.
I thought so. I've seen that before.
Its all-time high was 30,357.
Jesus.
For a token? What?
For a token. It's a what's the word I'm looking for? They're an equity company.
Gotcha.
So they buy and sell other tokens, kind of like what Volt does, but in bigger quantity.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So they'll go and find something that's in the basement. Like they're probably buying Bitcoin like crazy right now, and that's why the price is going down on Harvest Finance itself.
I'm sure.
And once Bitcoin hits the moon again,
it'll pump.
That token's going to be worth a mint.
Yep. That's a good idea. That's not a bad one. Look at this on Luna, though. January of 2021, it's trading 79, 80 cents. And look at the success that they've had, man. I mean, this is like a pure exact example of a successful project chart. You know what I mean? You would think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so if this can happen to Luna, this can happen to anything. So it's scary, man. It's super, super scary. I could not imagine the amount of money that some people lost in this, man.
Yeah, especially if you bought at that dip at what is that, 50 something bucks?
Yeah.
Just before that high. If you bought at that low dip there.
Yep. I'll look and see what that's at. So $116.11 on April 4th of this year. Yeah, this dip was like in the $50 range. But I know I follow a couple influencers on YouTube that are big time YouTubers that are heavily invested into Luna, and they are just absolutely decimated.
Oh, Eric wants to know what your crow play is.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, he wants you to play some Coldplay.
Play what?
Coldplay.
I'm trying to look at this chat here, make sure I didn't miss anything. Definitely not.
What do you mean I'm old?
No, I'm not either, Eric. I'm not either. Crash Dave's Crypto, you're the old school OG of crypto. Yep. He's the definition of degen, 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but see, Michael's older than I am.
My whole life.
Matic, Chronos, Algo, Sol. Yeah, those aren't bad. Matic, Chronos, Algo, Sol. Those are all. In theory, they should all be blue chip cryptos that will do well. It's just scary right now. You know what I mean?
Are you staking your Algorand? If you're not, you should.
I don't have any Algo. I used to, and I ended up selling out of it. I just, it's not that I don't like it. I don't have enough. I never deep dove into it to gain enough interest for it. But that doesn't mean it's a bad project or anything.
If you're holding it, yeah, you might as well stake it. It's only 0.45 APY, but especially
critical
right now,
thinker,
staking it.
Critical thinker, Russ in the house. I'm wrecked. I think we all are a critical thinker. I believe we all are at least partially wrecked right now.
You guys think a VT will help them?
No.
Oh, did you guys didn't hear
the commission
on Hobbs's channel? Sandstorm sent him a tweet. The commission backed out of being their marketing wallet.
Yeah,
they severed ties.
Yep. They severed ties, man.
Yeah, I saw that on Hobbs too.
Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, I think they're done, man. I think it's over. I could be wrong, but I think it's over. Start trading ETH and BTC. Yeah, I'm scared to even do that legal. After what happened to Luna, it's like, dude, I'm scared to do anything right now. I don't want to lose any more money or I haven't lost money, but I'm down. And that's the other thing. So many people are like, man, you know, they're selling their positions, they're wrecked, they're selling their positions. You're not wrecked unless you sell. And, you know, if you're investing money that you can't lose, that you can't afford to lose, then you shouldn't be investing it. So whatever you do have invested, like, yes, it's down a lot, but I mean, look at the history of cryptocurrency thus far, Bitcoin and stuff.
Dude,
like,
don't feel sorry for run guys.
But you know what I mean? Because it's like there's been huge volatility in crypto and stock market and everything else. So if you don't sell your positions, you know, my thinking, I mean, eventually they'll go back up. You know what I mean? And that's not financial advice, but I mean, if you're selling for a 90% loss, man, yeah, you're wrecked. You are wrecked.
I call myself buying that Volt dip and it went back up for a minute, but now it's back down.
I sold more Volt last night. Something told me to sell more yesterday, and then it's dumped off more, I believe. I still hold Volt, but not a lot. Yeah,
Yep,
the market
I agree,
is super
Steve.
scary. Super scary. Those you from Run Guys, they are big and terror. Gavin, how's it going, man? Thanks for joining the stream, bro. If y'all haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do.
I need to do that.
Actively trying to creep my way towards that 1,000 subs. I don't even know what I'm at right now, but I appreciate
277.
Nice. It's going up. It's going up every day. I appreciate
I'm
everybody's
stuck just
support.
below 50.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been stuck at 88 for a couple of days. See where I am now.
I hear a lot of controversy about the Run Guys. I don't know much about them, but I hear a lot of controversy about them.
I've heard things that they're essentially just a group of Dell Cryptos.
Are they? It's possible. I don't know anything about them. Scared money don't make money. Yeah, exactly right. I've DCA'd and stuff, and it's continued to go down. I say I'm scared. I'm not really. I am a little bit scared, but I'm more just kind of holding tight for a minute, just to see how things play out the next couple days. And I'll just go with my gut instinct on anything that I do put money into.
I actually thought Crow would take a bigger dip than what it's doing. I mean, it's dipping, but
yeah,
it's not dipping as fast as some of the other ones.
Well, it's also the main currency of their blockchain, so it's not going to fall as much as the other ones that don't have their own ecosystem.
Yeah.
You would think
I mean,
the same
it's
about
dropping
Luna.
at about the same rate as Bitcoin and Ethereum is, which is that's what it should do. If the market's dropping, they should be more stable than
if their contract's
any of the
built
shit
right,
coins or the meme coins or anything else.
Yep. If their contract is built right, that's exactly right. Run guys suck, Steve says. You mean the rug guys? I don't know much about them. I've just heard negative things over time throughout the space, but I have nothing. I don't know anything about them.
All right, gentlemen, I'm gonna go get ready for my stream at 5.
All right, buddy. It's 6:30. If my stream is still going, I'll probably put it on the live stream and kind of check in and see how things are going, Mike. If for some reason I'm off, then I'll definitely jump over there and tune in. But either way, we'll be supporting you, man.
Sounds good.
Definitely.
Appreciate you guys.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one, Mike.
See you later, man. Let's see. This is just the dippity dip, the dip of all dips coming this week. I just need some. It's a dip of all dips coming this week, and man, I just need another bag of chips. I just need another bag of chips to eat. I've got some money set aside. Sacred or scared? Yeah. Sacred money don't make money legal, or scared money don't make money. Which one is it? And what makes the money sacred? Sacred. Run guys can turn a 38-second topic into a full 6 to 9 minute video. Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to watch one of their videos once and see. Did they do stuff in the past? Just clowning on Saitama?
Well, that I don't know, but I know all their stuff. Who was that said that?
I feel like I've seen something where a couple guys
Gavin. they are huge into Pulse. And they'd talk about, oh, we've got Shiba Inu news. But then they'd run 10 minutes about why you should get into Pulse Chain and Pulse X and
Gotcha.
all of this.
Yeah.
Or not Pulse, Terra.
Oh, gotcha.
And then the last like minute of their video would be just this little snippet of news about like Shib or Volt or whoever. They draw the people in with whatever's hot right now, and then they were shilling the whole beginning of their video, whatever, Terra or whichever other play it was.
Gotcha.
Yeah, they were shilling Terra 1 here for a while before it launched.
Okay.
I mean, hard.
It used to be my favorite when I had Shiba Hopium. I've seen them, but I mean, I feel like maybe I've watched one of their videos, but I've never looked really. Now they do.
Well,
yeah,
there's like five or six different guys.
Gotcha. Mike Oxlong confirmed that. Yeah, they're doing it to Luna 1. Speaking of Shiba Inu, I want to see what that's at. I think Shiba Inu almost added a 0 today, didn't it?
It did.
Did it add one?
For a minute, and then it bounced back up. It's right on the precipice, though. It's like at 1.2.
Oh yeah, exactly at 1.2. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see here. It says 26, $1.5 billion volume, 24 hours. Man, everything's
see where it dropped
such
down.
a beating.
Where it gained that 0 right down there, and then popped right back up over it.
Crypto guru side hustles. Oh, I'm sure. I don't like that when, some of these groups that are, they just promote the shit out of stuff and shill. That's, to each their own. Everybody's got their own lane. That's not me, though. I just like to keep it real. Let's see here. Sorry, I'm checking my messages here real quick. Yeah, everything's brutal right now, man. I'm gonna go back to the overall market conditions here. There are some other ones that took big hits too. A gaming token that that's one of them. Ape is at $5.50. That's insane.
It was lower earlier. It's come up a little bit.
Yeah. But I know a lot of people have been buying into that the past few days, and they just got wrecked. But which one was it? Vulcan Forged. I don't know if you've heard of Vulcan Forged. The ticker is PYR.
Sounds familiar. I think I saw it on the Kronos chain.
Vulcan Forge is a big gaming platform type token. I won't go into a bunch of details about it. It's 36% down on the day. It's $3.92. I think at its highest, it was close to $50. And that was like in November, I believe. Oh no, it's went way higher. Oh yeah. Yeah, end of November. It went to, this shows $44.44. Just not that long ago, it was like 20 something or 1850. Okay. But this is one I'm keeping my eyes on for sure. Vulcan Forge at $3.94. This one can make some money, man.
Yeah, I was looking at Algorand. I'll tell you one thing, when everything starts flattening out before the big pump up, if it stays down at 44 cents, I may snatch some of it up.
That's really cheap. That's crazy cheap. Let's see here. I'm going to go back to the overall. There was one other one I was watching earlier too. Everything's on a huge discount right now, but even Solana's at $48.82. That's wild.
Yeah. I'm doing the scroll back through.
Avalanche at
the,
$30 for Avalanche. Wow. Yeah, Polygon's at a good price, isn't it? Matic, 66 cents. Crow's holding strong at like 194.194.
I think the only thing that is doing well right now, let me find it and I'll let you know. I want to say it's Luffy or Luffy, however the hell you want to pronounce it.
Yeah, I heard their V2. I heard that thing was ripping, man. Terra Luna.
But it's not in the same spot as it was.
Oh, I'm sure it's not.
Because it was doing well, so it's moved up the charts. So now trying to find it. I guess I could just do a search.
Axie Infinity, that's another gaming / metaverse project. That's at $19.22.
I don't want to talk about Axie. That was, I've made some plays.
God, that thing was
you go
$160.
Go back to June of last year.
6. Okay. $4 or $6 tops.
Yeah, that's when I bought in.
God.
Guess when I sold it.
But that's what I was gonna say. What's the catch?
I sold it at 38.
That's still good profit though. But yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, I see Legal and that guy are flirting back and forth. What happened to WAGMI? Let's take a look at WAGMI chart. I still have very high hopes for WAGMI. I'm going to jump on Dex Tools. WAGMI's doing some good stuff, man. I think they could do really well. It's just everybody's just hurting right now. WAGMI. Let's look on BNB side. I'm going to throw us on this side of the screen here. It's down 60% in the week. Yeah. I mean, it's just following what everything else has been doing. If you believe in WAGMI, if you think that they can do big things, man, I mean, it's at a really damn cheap price right now.
Yeah, I think what's holding BTFA up is that it's everybody's staking.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Yep. Are you talking about Volt, Selmo? The Volt is not delivering. Yeah, especially in this market.
Yeah, this market, nothing's really going to deliver right now.
No,
there's a few choice projects here and there, but yeah, don't sweat it. When the market comes back, Volt will at least go back up to where it was before this dip.
Oh yeah, I'm curious to see where Volt's at because I sold part of mine yesterday. It's down 54% basically on the week, 21%. Well, I was wise to sell when I did then because I was still up on it, but when I sold it, but I'm glad I sold it when I did. I really just sold it just to free up a little bit of money that I had in the green and just leave it in USDT to see what happens. And I'm glad I did because that money's just sitting there now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Volt, they're a hurting unit just like everybody else right now. SAPE is a good play. Yes, sir, Eric C. I 100% agree. I'm going to pull the chart open. See, this, in my opinion, these are the times like when the market is just absolutely wrecked and everybody's scared as hell. This is when people will accumulate and have the opportunity to make life-changing money, man.
Yeah. Now, this is going to tick some people off. I have no problem with the market flattening out right now, as long as it stays that way until the first of the month and I get my paycheck.
Right.
That's the one thing I hate is working, like I said, a state job. So I only get paid once a month. So
Yeah,
believe me,
gotcha.
I'm sitting here going, God, I have money in the bank. Should I buy into stuff? And like I said, I dollar cost averaged a couple of things, but man, if I just had some money just laying around, I'd be seriously getting ready to jump into some of this stuff.
Oh, absolutely.
Especially the good plays that
they know, yeah, not a degen bullshit, like something that really has good use case and stuff. Yeah, I mean, SAPE, everything. I mean, you look on the 1 week, everything is down basically between 50 and 60% damn near on the week. It's just the entire market. But I mean, you see up until, the market started tanking again a few days ago. I mean, SAPE was on a hell of a run. They were on a hell of a run there for a minute because they've got a good project. They've got a lot of good things going for them. Sean is the nicest guy in the world, and people like him, and he speaks well,
He's supposed to, is he on Rodney's channel?
He's was on there not too long ago.
He's getting on somebody's channel. I can't remember who. In the next day or two.
Probably. He likes doing a lot of AMAs, man. He likes keeping everybody informed.
Yeah.
We were texting. We texted each other a little bit yesterday, but I want to get him back on my channel again here in the near future and just shoot the breeze, man. Even during this bear market, like when it's down, I'd like to get him on, just hash it out with him, see what he's thinking. Volt does not look good at all right now. No, nothing does. I'm right there with you, Dave. Yep. Yeah, SAPE is, I think SAPE will do well. The scary part is a lot of the degen plays, like not talking about SAPE, but just like super degen plays, man, like that didn't have a good leg to stand on before this big crash. Like there's a lot of projects that aren't going to make it through this, man. There's a lot of, I'm not talking about SAPE whatsoever. I'm actually going to get them off the screen because I'm not talking about SAPE, but man, it's just brutal.
Yeah, you should just put, like a picture of butterflies up there or something. Make everybody feel good.
Right, seriously. Dang, gas is high right now, 129 way. Wow.
What the hell is this play? Pull up Flexcoin.
Flexcoin?
Yep.
Is that on BNB?
Let me check. I don't know what the hell this is, but you get those rays of sunshine.
It's probably this one with 138 holders.
Ends in BCOA.
Let's see here. I don't know if that's the right one or not. If it'll load. This might not be the right one.
No, that one still isn't indexed.
No. Oops.
Third one down.
I feel like I've heard of Flexcoin, but God only knows. It's one of the only projects that's actually up right now.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was looking at over the last
19% on the week. I don't know anything about this project at all.
Yeah, neither do I. It's up 12.7% in the last week.
Huh. It launched October 8th of last year.
Yeah, I'm going through the lists here, trying to find anything that we could show that, hey, look, something's doing good. That was the first thing I saw, and it was in the hundreds.
Yeah, it's one of the rare ones that actually is in the green. So they have a DAO, Flex USD, a stable coin, Flex exchange. So there's going to be an exchange.
It's its own ecosystem. Okay, well
Yeah.
that explains why it's not going down, because it's just, you know, well, now Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything else is going down, but it's not getting hit as hard as everything else is the last few days.
Yeah. I'm going to save that one and read about it and just see more about it. That's pretty crazy. What's UST at now? Let's see here. UST ETH pair. I can't believe, I mean, UST has bounced all the way back up to 79 to 80 cents. That's wild. I didn't expect that to happen. I mean, they must be doing every last possible ditch effort to try and stabilize UST so that they don't completely end up folding.
Yeah.
Whatever they're doing is working right now, because I mean it's stabilizing. But dude, the trust from the investors and the community is
it's gone.
Completely gone. Like, for them to ever come back and do you know, where they were, I mean, it'd be unbelievable.
It is next to impossible to find something that, you know, like I said, that WeWay I found yesterday, it took me a while. I wanted to make a video of something, you know, positive. And then I found that one and I was like, well, there you go.
Yeah.
But man,
I'm going to run to the restroom real quick, man. If you'll hold down the fort, I'll be right back, guys.
I can think about it.
Take a leak and grab a drink.
All right, guys. So if you were going to tree, what kind of tree would you be? I know that guy would be a dogwood. I don't know if anybody's old enough to remember that. Because, you know, most crypto investors are, you know, in their early 30s. But this is back in the 80s, 90s, when the 49ers were going to the Super Bowl all the time. And they were sick of asking all the players the same questions. And then one reporter came up and said, hey, if you were a tree, what kind of tree would you be? And they just ran for years with that. It was stupid and funny at the same time. I do not have my chart up, but I can look over here and I can let you know real quick, NFT Queen. Eight zeros 21. What? It made a pump? It was at 8 zeros 1227. When was this? At 3 o'clock this afternoon, and it has gone up to 8 zeros 2163. Since the commission broke ties with them, it's gone up. That makes no sense. Oh, look at him bringing the chart up when he's not even on camera. Hey, what's up, Jeremy? Yep, commission dropped Saitama. Got announced about 3 or 4 o'clock today. They threw a tweet out there. Oh, shit. That's it. I'm out of here. Anthony's here. Y'all have a good night. What's up, Anthony? Dude, we told you we'd be on late on Saturday. You didn't show up. Or did you? And I just don't remember because I drank too much. Don't pull your wallet up. We can see it. Did you hear me?
Yes. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I'll randomly scroll across something on my computer and it pops up some login thing. I don't know what the hell it even is. Miss NFT Queen. Yep. Old Saitama is not looking too good. Not looking too good. I can't believe people are still buying it.
No, that's what I was saying. It's jumped up quite a bit since they broke ties with commission.
Yeah, that's weird.
Because that's the last 3 hours you're looking at there. All that up is since 3 o'clock.
Is the team doing a last-ditch effort to try and pump money into it? Crypto Realist Jeremy, what's going on, bro? Thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate her. Yeah, I know. Me too. I seen that you asked where Saitama was at. I was like, oh man, did it gain a zero? Oh wait, commission.
Every time Crypto Realist jumps,
yep. They severed ties. Yeah, you go ahead. They severed ties, but yeah, go ahead, Dave.
Every time Crypto Realist jumps into a space now, all I can think of is that freaking song Jeremy's spoken. Who sang that? Shit.
Anthony, how's it going, bro? What is up, fuckers? I don't know major details about it, but I did see a post on Twitter that's been shared where they made an official statement basically saying that they were severing ties with Saitama.
Hey, Anthony, you probably just missed us. We were up till pretty close to 2 o'clock in the morning. I streamed started at 9. I think we ended sometime around 1:30 Central Time. I was pulling a legal stream. I streamed for over 4 hours.
It's tiring streaming for that long, isn't it?
Oh, dude, my butt hurt from sitting in this damn chair for too long.
Oh, Pearl Jam? Pearl Jam.
There it is. Yep. I knew it was one of them Seattle grunge bands.
Yeah, I love Pearl Jam, man. Pump it up. Toe Jam. That shit is really funny, bro. Oh, man. I needed that laugh right there after this shit market. Toe Jam. At least it wasn't Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Yeah, for real. That's awesome.
That's all right. You missed it last night, Tornado. Jeremy was streaming, and I made a comment of, what did he say? That he wasn't, a conspiracy theorist. And it literally popped into my head, and it had a couple times that he looks like a dude that's still living in his mama's basement and streaming from down there.
That's hilarious. Poor Jeremy. He's just taking a beating from people. That's hilarious. Jeremy, Crypto Realist, I was talking earlier about the whole Terra Luna thing. Have you heard the conspiracy, which really seems to be plausible, about BlackRock and Citadel causing the whole Luna dump? I don't know if you heard anything about that or not. But there's been a lot of evidence circulating around, stuff showing that may really be true, that they added to causing that huge dump from Luna.
I think that's directed at me.
I would imagine. Yeah, I put out a super late, just like a 7 or 8 minute update video on that Luna thing last night, because I was reading and hearing about all kinds of stuff. So I put out something on that Luna deal and the conspiracy and all that. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. It doesn't surprise me though.
Hell, I fell asleep last night with my damn Bluetooth in, listening to the damn Saitama Twitter space last night.
Did you?
Yeah.
Racket Club.
Oh, and if anybody wants to,
on my way to salsa chata. Awesome, man. Have a good one, bro. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, enjoy, dude.
Do something fun.
Yeah, if anybody wants to listen to the Twitter space, Cup and the Dip was broadcasting it live last night.
Yeah.
So if you missed anything or you want to hear it because everybody's talking about it, that's the one place I know is doing it, because I was getting ready to go to bed and that, and I was like, oh, Cuffin's going live, and I put it on there, and I started hearing all these voices, and I was like, what the hell is he broadcasting?
Yeah.
And then I realized it was a Twitter space, and I was like, oh, shit.
Yeah. I didn't know they were even having a Twitter space. I was on the phone and for a while, and I jumped off, and I was like, I seen all these posts coming through, like just slamming about Saitama and stuff. I was like, what in the world is going on? And then I pulled up on YouTube and just happened to see that Cuffin had it streaming. And I was like, oh, cool. So I listened in, man. That was wild, man.
It was a shit show. You're right, dude, Jeremy.
They were coming with some heat at him about stuff.
That one guy, he was just awesome.
Yeah. I mean, everything that everybody's been wanting to say to Russ, that guy said it. Like that dude's the GOAT from that stream.
Yeah, speaking of that guy, did you know Crypto Realist is going to have that guy on? Was it tomorrow night?
Oh, for the big, or is it Friday night for the big celebration stream? I thought I heard something about that. That guy's going to be on for the big 1K celebration stream or something. Drinking some brewskis, possibly.
Yeah, I told Jeremy I'd join that shit show. But Mama's supposed to be coming home. She's been out of town since Sunday, so I doubt I'm going to be on at all Friday night.
Gavin,
but if I am, definitely shoot me an invite on Twitter, and if I can break away, I'll come jump in there and give you guys hell for a little bit.
I'll definitely jump in there for sure, man. Gavin, are you talking about Dave's channel? I would imagine you're probably talking about Dave's channel. I'll post it in the chat again. Let's see, Control C. Yep, little Friday night shindig, some festivities on Crypto Realist channel.
Throw
yeah, I am the best
too.
How's it going? I am the best. Hope you're doing well, man. I don't know how true that is, but I've heard circulation about all that stuff too. Like, it's probably just a rumor, but I'm sure it's just a rumor. But yeah, it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. I really don't have anything on Coinbase anymore. I used to have a lot on Coinbase. I don't really keep anything on there anymore.
I've got a couple small bags just for the simple fact of some of the stuff on there are plays I want to make on the ETH side, and I don't want to pay gas fees.
Yeah.
So that's the only
for stuff like that. I use a couple centralized exchanges for just some of that kind of stuff, but I just don't. I don't know. I guess I like Coinbase. I just don't use it anymore. Friday night party stream, boys and girls. Need to transfer my stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna dig more into that. I am the best. I'll see what I can come up with tonight. I'll drop a video later if I can find anything that's plausible backing any of that up. Shaman says, did someone say shindig? You bet. Only Crow and ETH to cash out. Touched my Coinbase. Oh, yeah. Make sure you come prepared to make it rain in the super chats on Friday night for Crypto Realist. Yeah, for real, man. Finally hit the 1,000 subs. He'll finally be able to have super chats on his stream. So,
fucking Anthony.
We all gotta bless Crypto Realist for all of his hard work he's done this for, man. For real, seriously. It's been fun watching his channel grow and getting to know him. Crypto Reels. If my crab's cleared up, I'll be there too. Oh, what
I
else?
really do need to get some shit on the walls in here so it doesn't echo that bad.
Oh yeah, you can buy. I see a lot of people use that. You can buy those little panels or whatever that.
Yeah, Mama wouldn't allow it. I've thought about it.
Can you show me the real safe wallet? Are you talking about for the app? I am the best.
Talking about SafePal?
SafePal, is that what you're talking about? Super chat still pending. MK, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, Legal hit 1,000, and then he lost 6 or 7, and then he gained some, then he lost some. I think YouTube is literally just screwing with him.
I'm looking to see if he's at 1,000 again. 998.
Is he at 998 now? Shaman
Yep.
says, I'm emptying all my funds from Coinbase after I eat this bowl of ice cream. Get that ice cream in first, man. Definitely. I'm all about some good ice cream. Realist is the truth. Yes, sir. Realist is awesome, man.
It's not the mic because I can hear it echoing in the room, and it's not the mic.
Yeah, I think it is the room for sure. It does sound like an echo.
This is the workout room, so it's got a little bit of padding on the floor, but it's a hardwood floor, and there's nothing on the walls.
Yep. Let's see. Yeah, I really I like SafePal. Jeremy's the one that actually turned me on to SafePal, the app, and it's really easy to use, especially for doing like converting from one chain to the other and all that.
Yeah, that's the main reason why I started using it, is so I could take my ETH and turn it into BNB. And then I went total degen on it. Damn, I should never have done it. At least I was being smart on my degen plays when I was just using ETH. But now that I could do it on BNB and it only cost me, 40, 50, 60 cents.
Yep.
Whew. Well, this is a Logitech Blue, Jeremy. So
I got to respond to a message real quick. Let's see here.
It's the snowball.
Get with you and find it one that works best. Between 3 p.m. 8 p.m. CST.
It's on the screen right now. SFP. Yeah. I'll just take a picture of the screen right there, and it'll.
Yeah, just scan that QR code, and it'll take you right to you, bro. Yeah. For y'all, and I will make it work. Guys, I am so excited right now, man. I just feel blessed. Like, I've been grinding, man. And I don't pay attention to like how many subs I have or. I just do this because I really enjoy it, and it's cool getting to meet new people and build relationships and friendships and just share the enthusiasm for crypto. But I've gotten some projects that are reaching out to me now about doing AMAs and stuff, and man, I haven't announced it yet, but I've got an AMA coming Friday, guys, in 2 days, and once I get the time set and I get the approval, I'll put out a notice for it, man. I am effing pumped that I am getting this project to come on my channel for an AMA. I mean, I am pumped, guys. Like, did not expect them to. I was just kind of chit chatting with them, giving them a hard time because I cover them a lot, or no, I don't cover them a lot, but sometimes, and they hit me up, got me into a private chat with all the devs and the leads for the project. And there's going to be an AMA on my channel Friday, boys and girls. So y'all fasten your seatbelts because I got a good one coming for you. There's going to be a good project Friday. Just want to share that. The excitement is like killing me, dude. It's killing me. I'm so excited about it. Good mic can filter a lot out. Does the SafePal wallet have SFP on the logo? Yeah. Yep. Okay, got it. Cool. Yep. Yeah, I am the best. It's a damn good wallet, man. I really like it. I'm slowly kind of converting everything over into it and kind of using SafePal more than anything. The only other wallet that I still use Trust Wallet some, and then I have some stuff on MetaMask. I don't use MetaMask a lot though. I don't like it. I don't know why. I just don't. But I use my crypto.com DeFi wallet a lot because I'm heavy on Kronos. So I like that wallet too for Kronos stuff.
So I'd have two guesses at what your AMA is going to be on Friday. One would be Voltnobi, and the other one's WAGMI.
Good guesses.
Or Kronos.
Good guesses. Hopefully after I get a time confirmed, hopefully I can put out a post tonight.
Yeah, I've reached out to a few. Granted, they're degen plays in that, but you would think that a shitcoin would want to get as much exposure as it possibly can.
Yeah.
And because I'm under 100 subs, they won't even acknowledge me hardly.
It's tough. Yeah, it's tough. Unless you just know somebody, you know what I mean? It's tough. I'm sure it definitely gets easier. I'm the best. How do you transfer? Okay, Crypto Realist. You just upload. Yeah, you can upload your seed phrase. I'm the best, and just everything will show up into the wallet. I would recommend doing that rather than literally transferring everything because you're gonna have to pay transfer fees, and you're gonna lose a bunch of money trying to transfer everything. So I would just import your seed phrase. If it's Russ and Saitama, I'll be very. It's definitely not Saitama. Pornhub token. You said pumped. Boner Bear Inu. We need that Crotama. Dude, I want Crotama. I really do. I want Crotama to come on. That'd be awesome.
Oh, it's Crodix.
No, it's not Crodix. I will put that out there. I've talked to them a little bit, and they've kind of ghosted me the past couple days. But I have been trying to get Crodix to come on. Oh, I said Boner Bear Inu. Shaman says Boner Bear
Wait.
token.
I thought Crodix came on other things. You just said you're trying to get Crodix to come on.
Yeah, right.
Oh shit, it's Wednesday. I may have to jump off of here. There was a possibility I was going to jump on Crypto Talk with Chris tonight. I need to see if he sent me the invite.
Oh, gotcha.
Because he does his Watcher Guru review on Wednesdays.
Oh, speaking of I like Watcher Guru.
Nope.
What did he say? Mike Oxlon said, "Do you watch Max Maher? He really digs deep in his YouTube clips. Just watch his clip on the Luna crash." Yeah, I have watched Max Maher some. Yeah, he does real deep dives, man. I'm gonna check that one out and see what he had to say about the Luna crash. I like Max Maher, and who else was I listening to talking about it? I've listened to several people today about it. It's there's some good YouTubers in the space, big YouTubers that have super good deep dives into controversial things like that. Let's see here. I go over. I'm going to leave that one open. First thing that popped up on my Twitter feed, Saitama about to rug yo from Rodney. That's hilarious. Oh shoot, I forgot. Michael visit from Telegram admin, 10 whitelist pre-sales to give away. CMC already. I gotta share that. Michael's got that live stream going. I gotta at least turn it on.
Yeah, definitely put it on. Nothing from Chris, so
I'm gonna put it on the stream. Just tune in for just a second anyway, just to show some support to old Michael. So this isn't a dev. He's a Telegram admin from this project, but supposedly I guess they have CoinMarketCap. They'll be CoinMarketCap listed right from the get-go, that's actually pretty impressive, man. There's not a lot of projects that have done that.
what the hell is this? 100% APY or 100,000%?
Can you guys hear Can you hear his stream?
No.
Thanks, Jeremy.
Have a good one, Jeremy.
Can y'all hear Michael's stream in the chat? Can y'all hear it?
I can't.
Somebody let me know if y'all can hear it. Y'all can't hear it.
Nope.
I don't know how.
Yeah, Jeremy was trying to talk me through it Saturday night. Something about you got to shut everything down and open up the channel first before you open StreamYard. And
oh, really?
Yeah. Because I was trying to stream music that wasn't on the StreamYard, uncopyrighted music. And I'm going to have to learn how to do that. Because I hate just having those 6 or 7 different songs. Drives me nuts.
I just silenced it because I got to figure out how. Sorry, guys. I need to figure out how to share my audio from a stream like that. I'll have to ask somebody or look it up or whatnot. I was just trying to look through settings and see if there's an easy way to do it. Audio, speaker. Oh, Fiverr's coming in with the heat. Enters the stream and he's dropping heat right off the bat. Shaman says, "I am the best to crash Dave's crypto and don't sell Mo FUD at the Racket Club and met Mrs. NFT Queen with that guy who knows Steve the Canadian and the market is shit." That's awesome, bro.
You forgot Anthony.
He's coming in with the bars, man. Love it. Yeah, guys, I need to, man, that frustrates me. I wish I could just automatically share that audio. Let me stop. I'm going to stop that screen real quick. Share screen. Share system audio. Let's try this. Careful sharing screen audio if you have a guest. They will hear themselves. You're sharing everything you can hear. Let me try this.
essentially you can eventually make.
Can you hear it, Dave?
Back.
Yep, got it.
In a stable coin, in a stable form.
Is there an echo?
And you know what? People are going to sell, and they're going to sell 25%. But that 10% of that 25,
can you all hear it in the chat?
Is redistributed in finance US dollar. It is crazy, man.
So here's the roadmap. Of course, they got a website. We're on a website right now.
Yep.
Now, do contract creation by Neurotic.
Yeah. So I'll give you a sense.
Neurotic, a dev. Is he a dev?
Nice.
So as a part of this team, or she?
No.
We figured it out.
They're
checking here.
Collaborating with up and coming.
No, it's weird. On YouTube, it does not show Mike as live right now
on their contract. And their contract has been cross-vetted by TechRate through their audit and results. So, they have a couple partnerships. But really, they want to bring in a team that is skillfully adept in the crypto world and what they want to do. This is not a simple project. This is a complex project. There's a lot of moving parts in this project, and they needed to make sure they brought in the right people to get it done. And the guys at Neurotic, and they were also on the AMA, they do a great job. I think it's a perfect partnership. So I think it's really good. So yeah, that's the deal with Neurotic. A big part of the team. Absolutely.
Now, you said there was an AMA earlier. I was looking at the CEO KYC. Do you know if the KYC on the CEO has been completed? I'm assuming that since he is doxing himself, or that he did dox himself, that he's going to go through this process too pretty quickly.
Absolutely. So that was one of the things he did talk about on the live stream is the KYC. But he wanted to, and you know what? He wasn't even going to dox himself yet. He wasn't going to do that, but he sees the importance of what it is, especially in this market, in this time, to have a face, to be able to put a voice to a face and actually see the words coming from a real person. You know what I mean? Not hiding behind a screen. I think it's more genuine when you get to see it.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
You heard about Crypto Demon getting his account suspended, right? On YouTube?
Yes.
Today.
Yeah, go look at his. Oh, no, this is 16 hours old. You probably have seen it. That essentially they said it was nudity and pornography was the reason why they suspended his stream.
Yeah, so I was on Crypto Demon's live stream yesterday afternoon, and bots came in and just absolutely obliterated his chat and live stream with talking about nudity and underage sexual stuff, and the profile picture on all the bots was of naked people's parts, I guess you could say. And like as fast as he would ban them and the mod would ban them, more would come in, and it was just like repetitive through the whole thing. So YouTube basically banned his account from YouTube because of the bots, which is not fair at all, man. Not fair whatsoever. He hasn't done anything wrong. And even if they do restore it, it'll probably take a month for them to review it all and get it back up. So if y'all haven't followed Crypto Demon, or if you do follow Crypto Demon, I think he's got a new profile he had to start to actually keep his channel going, because he's completely blocked from YouTube because of bots.
It's insane.
I never make the cut to Fiverr's freestyles. One day. You'll make it, Anthony. I promise you, man. He did. It. Oh, man. Anthony Cardenas tells Fiverr, I am the best since the crypto realist left the channel. Warn people of a phantom token called Saitama and their CSM coin. That's hilarious. I want to listen into this. Let's see. Oh, DNA is on there too. I put on Michael's stream on the chat. I put TX Cornado and the Chromies watching from our live stream. Let's go. DNA said much love from TX Tornado. I want to listen in, but at the same time, I'm starting to cover stuff. But I am going to leave him playing in the background at least, and I'll go back and listen to it because I'm actually interested in that project because they, if they're CMC approved already and the devs are doxed, that may be. I want to check into it. I'm interested. The project's called Fusion. I'll see if I can pull up in some info for y'all if y'all want.
What the hell's Michael doing? He
dive
giving
into it.
something away?
They're giving away 10 whitelist spots, I think. I want a whitelist spot. I don't even know what it's for, but I want one. I'm not sure. FUU. Oh, I am the best. What's Demon's new profile? Let me pull it open because honestly, I've been sending out tweets like a bunch since yesterday trying to help support him, but I don't know what his new one is. That's a great question. Demon. Crypto Demon is also raising money. He's going to start an animal shelter. I think he's from the UK, so he's starting an animal shelter in the UK. And I know Days Dogs token and NFTs is helping support him with that. So pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I'm trying to find his. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Oh, new YouTube channel below.
Yeah, I found it here. Let's see.
Okay.
Dude, he went from 2,500 subs, got banned, and now he only has 77 subs. That sucks, man. There should be ways to combat that when it's a bot attack like that, man. That's not fair at all. That is not fair at all. Here it is in the chat. So everybody go show some love to Crypto Demon, man. He's super cool, dude. That dude cracks me up because he's from the UK and his accent, you know. Dude, he goes on rants about stuff. It's just hilarious because of his accent from the UK. It's really funny. But he's a good dude, man. Real good dude. Maybe a group YouTube live stream with Crypto Demon to try and get his subscriber count. That's a great idea, MK. That's a damn good idea. Do a live stream with a bunch of YouTubers to help support him and get it going. And then every channel could promote it on their Twitter. That's a good idea, man. I'm gonna reach out to some people and see if we can make that happen. Because that sucks.
We could do it on Jeremy's 1000 party on Friday.
Yeah,
if Jeremy would agree to it.
But you talk about a deflating moment, man. That sucks.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
Fusion.
Since that's happened, and I've seen them get into Hobbses and that, when I do lives, what I'm going to end up doing is, what am I thinking? Oh, turn on subscription comments only, and then you can't comment for like 3 to 5 minutes before or after you subscribe.
Yeah,
because I don't think bot attacks would wait that long. Because I think somebody jumps in, loads the bot attack, and then goes to another channel, and they just hop from channel to channel.
Yeah, I am the best said. So how do we know that won't happen again? And funny, right after the Volt video he made. Yeah, I mean, that's a conspiracy, but I mean, it does feel coordinated, man. Because I was in that live stream, and dude, it was like one after the other, with like a bunch of different accounts just spamming the chat with naked profile pictures, and just like extreme stuff they were saying that's like, I won't even repeat it on here. And it's just unfortunate, but it does feel like it was almost coordinated, man. It really does. Which that's sad if it was coordinated, man. Shame on the people that did that too, man, because he's a good dude. He can do some controversial stuff, but on his channel at times, but he keeps it real. I mean, keeping it real is what it's about, man. And I mean, he definitely doesn't deserve to have his channel ripped out from under him. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, kind of sidestep in here, but here's the I'll put this in the chat, guys. This is the Twitter. Y'all haven't already located it off of Michael's stream for this project, so I'm definitely going to dive deeper into this project and check it out. They're truly a docs team. Pre-sales coming in May 13th, which is Friday, and they do have CMC listing right off the bat. That's pretty cool, man. Shameless plug incoming.
That's the easiest way to do it.
Is that for your channel?
Yep.
Go subscribe to Crash Dave. Show him some support, guys. Dude, he's got some badass model airplanes, like remote control model airplanes which is hence the name Crash Dave's Crypto. He can tell you the story about it, but dude, that's some of those remote control airplanes are sick. That's sick.
What my back screen was yesterday for the video I made. I made a little collage of busted up planes.
Nice. I've watched all your videos, but I didn't watch the one last night. I did see it come through, but I was doing all that research on Terra Luna, so I didn't watch it yet, but I definitely will. I always watch them.
Well, thank you.
You bet, man. Yeah, I did dig into Shibadon. I am the best. I did. I appreciate you mentioning that one. I actually looked at it after that stream. I was digging into it, and I just don't. I know that I don't get the mining thing they got. I know I need more information on it, man. It wasn't real clear to me, everything that they've got going. Let's look at their chart once. But
what's crazy is I had 113 people watch my live stream on Saturday, but I've only got 47 subs.
Yeah, man, there's a lot of people. I know I've got some videos that I've dropped in the past that I've got like hundreds of views, and you get like 3 or 4 subs off of them. That sucks, but it's the way she goes. Is
well, no, I lost subs after that live.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
Because
the way she goes.
49, and then this morning I was at 46.
That's ridiculous.
I don't know. I guess nobody wanted to see that guy and me drink beer and, buy shit coins.
Yeah, but at least you'll have true followers, the ones that are subbing to you, that are
that's
true
true.
Supporters.
Yeah, we got to watch the look on that guy's face when he was trying to sell a coin, and it rugged as he was hitting the sell button.
Oh my God. I wanted to jump on that stream, and I'd forgotten about the whole holiday weekend and stuff. So I ended up having to go do stuff, and I just ran out of time. But dude, we need to make that a trend to do that, once or twice a month.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do it on Saturdays every week, and that's what sucks.
We could do it like even a couple of Saturdays a month or something, and like right now, dude, it's not even the
I'm not buying anything on Saturday. I may still do a stream if Mama doesn't have plans for me, but since she had to go out of town on Sunday and has been gone, and we'll get back on Friday. We're quote unquote celebrating Mother's Day this coming Sunday.
Oh, gotcha.
So I've got to, probably mow again and all that kind of stuff.
Got
on
the old
Saturday,
honeydew list. The old honeydew list, man.
I am.
Damn, Shibadon's actually still up 20% on the week.
What? I keep moving my mouse around trying to change your screen, and it's not working. What the hell?
That's pretty impressive, actually. I am the best. I'm surprised. I mean, they're 2% up on the day. This is literally, I can count on one hand how many projects I see that are actually in the green on the week right now.
What's the one that Rodney aped into?
Shibvader.
Shibvader?
I'm steering
How's
clear of
that
that
one doing?
one. I don't know, but everybody's talking about like super sketchy stuff going on with the wallets or transactions and stuff. So I don't know, man.
Yeah, right now I am looking up my my shitcoin play from Saturday. I decided to stay in it. Michael jumped out. That guy didn't buy in because he had just gotten rugged. And I said, the market's crap right now. I'm going to stay in and see what happens.
And what's it looking like now?
I'm just about to pull it up. I know it's down, but how far down is, the question. Because they do have a pretty vibrant community on Telegram.
So all Shibadon social media and stuff is linked on here now. I'll go to their website real quick.
Oh, did it rug? Really?
So here's Shibadon, guys. This is a newer project. I was checking into it. I am the best mentioned it the other day, and I dug into it. I'm really surprised that their chart's not looking bad right now. So their utility, we bring Shibadon into the crypto mining business. The vision is to combine the utility of mining to the DON token. This process will serve as a unique way to enhance the deflationary characteristics. So they have mining rigs. So you're basically investing into the project to support the mining rigs, and then you're going to get returns off of it. Yeah, I think they have 4 or 5 like pretty damn big rigs going now, something like that. Apparently what they're doing is decent because the chart is holding steady. And they're going to buy like metaverse land and acquire some assets and stuff. I know. Shibadon market cap low. Been telling everyone, but whatever. Yeah, dude. I mean, it's I didn't get into it, because I don't know. I just can't get into everything. But man, I'm actually pretty impressed to see that it's doing well. Market cap's 202,000. Liquidity is 95. Dude, so they almost have 50% liquidity ratio to their market cap. That's really good. That's really good. I am the best. Did you get in on this one early? Was there like a pre-sale or anything, or did you buy in just like at launch? Or what's your backstory on it, man? There's 545 holders according to Dex Tools.
I'd go look at Etherscan.
Yeah, I'm sure that number's not completely accurate. Let's take it.
I'm sitting there trying to click on that damn button to do it, and it won't go.
That's hilarious. Something's not right because
I might need another beer.
Etherscan says there's only 290 holders, and Dex Tools says there's 545. I've seen that happen before, and I honestly don't know which one is correct. I
trust Etherscan more than Dex Tools.
Yeah, but I've seen Etherscan be the one that was wrong also recently, which is unbelievable.
The other thing you could do is throw it through Token Sniffer.
Oh, that's an idea. I can do that. I am the best guy. Oh, so you got in when you were kind of mentioning it.
Oh, so you're up right now.
So you're actually up right now. Like, to be up in this market is ridiculous. That's crazy. Congrats.
Oh, my
man.
WeWay play from yesterday, I'm up.
Are you?
Yeah. It's down 11% over the 24 hours, but I got in before it started going up and then it went down, but I mean, when I say I'm up, I mean just fractions up.
Yeah. Make sure that copied.
Because it's at 0.058 and I got in at 0.054.
Billy Diaz, how's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. I have not seen your name in my chat before, man. Are you new to joining the old Texas Tornado streams? I appreciate you being here, man. Thanks for the support. Shibadon to the moon, baby. Shibadon to the moon. My ears are perked up, man, as I'm seeing this decent chart during a bloodbath market. I should have listened to I Am the Best 2 days ago, and I did listen to him and research it. I just didn't do anything with that. But it's not too late. It's a $200,000 market cap.
Damn it, don't make me do another degen play.
That's what I was just going to say. Here we are talking about not doing any degen plays because the market is wrecked. And here we are. We are all true degens, guys. We are true degens at heart.
Yeah, but hey, I made 2 safe plays today with my amp and my Jasmine. So I'm due well. I did Weeway last night. So that was my degen play.
Token is sellable. It's not a honeypot. Buy fee is less. It's at 12% buy fee, 11% sell fee. Little high, but I mean, there's a lot of tokens in that range nowadays. Verified contract. Source does not contain a fee modifier. Source contain codes of functionality. So the devs can modify transaction fees, which that's okay. Ownership is not renounced, which in my opinion, I know a lot of people only want to see a renounced contract, but Saitama is a prime example of why you don't want a renounced contract, because you can't modify shit. You have to migrate to a V2 or V3 or V4. So ownership renounce is not a big deal to me. There's no tokens in an owner wallet. There's no owner creator wallet. All other holders hold less than 5%. 20.45 ETH liquidity. Initial liquidity is 5 ETH. At least 95 liquidity burned or locked. 100% of liquidity is locked until September 21st. All right. Owner creator wallet contains less than 5% of liquidity, 0%. Decent looking token sniffer, guys. Decent looking. Oh man, we got Shibadon themselves in the chat, boys and girls. Shibadon is here.
Well,
That the next one, keep telling you, Shibadon, that logo would look good on your page. It would, man. It would. 4 rigs. Yep. I read that the other day, Billy Diaz. I was reading that. Early crash. 72 crash. Oh, I Am the Best is subbing to your channel, Crash.
thank you.
Thanks for the support, man.
Yeah, as soon as this, yes, thank you for the support. And, like I was saying before, my channel mainly is, I'll give my spiel real quick while he's drinking.
Yeah, go ahead.
Most of us, when we start
quick.
talking about crypto to our husbands, wives, sons, daughters, grandparents, their eyes glaze over. And so the beginning of my channel and what I'm going to build is a quick 3 to 5 minute videos of what is cryptocurrency, go over a few of the coins, go over the acronyms. I've already done that video. And bits and pieces like that, so that, when you start talking about it and they say, I have no idea what you mean, you can say, here, go to this guy's YouTube channel, watch the videos, and then come to me and ask questions, and I might be able to answer them. I'm trying to do it as a how-to for someone who knows absolutely nothing about crypto. And I'm building it up slowly to where I'm going to open up a Coinbase or a Kronos or whatever centralized exchange, and then do a couple of small trades on there to show people how easy it can be to get in. And while the market's like this, I'm just making other videos, but I'm still going to sprinkle in the instructional stuff.
I've been listening, man. Yeah, Dave's building a good thing. That's much needed in this space, man. Is just really helping, especially newcomers in the crypto. Shibadon, welcome to the chat, man. I appreciate you stopping by. We're digging in. We're taking a gander at it. I read over your stuff the other day. I'm the best mentioned you, and I didn't dig deep enough into it, I guess, to understand everything, but apparently you guys are doing something right because your chart is holding strong, man. You need to set up, don't it? Yeah, I am the best. I usually pop like my Chronos and my ETH wallet address into the video description. I do have a QR code up in the top right corner. It's a code for my ETH wallet. It's a trust. I think it's my Trust wallet address. Nobody has to donate. I mean, I don't expect people to donate. I put it there just in case, but it's definitely.
What's your seed phrase again?
Yeah, right. It's not something that anybody needs to feel any kind of obligation to do, but I do keep it up in the top right corner.
I'll be back in a second.
Sure. One of the shift devs is also, I've heard that, Shaman. What is your take on that? Is that a good thing or a bad thing in your opinion, Shaman? And Shibadon, if you're still here listening, man, I'd love to chat with you guys, man, and kind of hear some backstory about y'all and what your plans are and stuff. So hit me up on Twitter, man. Shoot me a DM or something. We can jump into, either send messages or jump on the phone or something. I'm interested, man. I want to find out more about it. I'm all about, especially newer projects that are actually trying to do something good in the space, that are honest. And I'm fully here to support good projects. You know what I mean? You don't have the cash logo on the bottom. I've got, I am the best. Are you just talking about just like a wallet address or something? I could set up like a Cash App link or something like that too, but I always just put I usually just throw like a wallet address. Let me see. I thought I put it in there. Oh man, ASMR time. We got the old brewskis coming in hot.
No, it's only my second one.
YouTube Studio.
Hey, I did yard work after a 9 to 5 today, so I deserve a couple.
Oh yeah, you bet. YouTube Studio. I was looking to see.
Shibadon wants to talk to you.
Crap. I'm trying to copy this. My mouse is moving too quick though. Control C. Y'all give me 1 second here. I was trying to look. I guess I didn't put it. I thought I put it in the video description. Usually I drop it in there. I just added it in the video description. I usually put it on all my streams and all my videos. I just put in like I just added my Twitter, and then I just have like a Chronos chain donation wallet and an ETH chain donation wallet address on there. But I seriously don't expect. I mean, nobody ever has to feel obligated to do anything, but it is on there. I just added it and saved it. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I think it depends on what your opinion is on Shift. Yeah, I heard that drama going on with that talk. Yeah, that's what I heard, man. So I haven't dug into it yet, but I did hear that was it Shift that failed the I guess, what would you call it, KYC or something for Shibnobi? Is that right? Am I saying that correctly? Yeah, Shibadon, let's talk, man. Let's talk. Shoot me. Let's see here. My Twitter is in the description on the video. I think it's TX Tornado 84 at TX Tornado 84. Shoot me a DM, man. We can definitely visit. I absolutely be interested in talking to you, man. Oh, so you can see cash donated on screen. I don't have it set up to do anything like that. You're talking about like if somebody donates and it should. I'm going to check into that because I mean, until I'm like actually officially monetized on YouTube, you know, there's not like an actual donation button through YouTube. I have to hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs to actually get officially monetized.
You could do the stream elements like Hobbs did. You'd have to.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So there's stream elements. I think it'll notify me when somebody does donate through stream elements, but then I'd have to just like manually, you know, just tell everybody somebody donated. You know what I mean? Until we get that actual
man, I'm trying to make
super chat thing available.
I'm trying to make StreamYard night view because it's so damn bright, but I can't do it.
Yeah, they failed KYC. Shaman, I'm gonna dig into that, man. I want to see why they failed, what's going on. Shift, it seems like a good token, man. Like their project seems pretty good, but obviously something's up. Shibadon all day, baby. Yeah, man. Shibadon, definitely send me a message, man. I'll chit chat with you either tonight or whenever, man. I'd like to hear some more about it for sure. And I am going to do some more research on that. But congrats on y'all's chart, man. Like y'all are holding strong through this absolute wrecked bloodbath. Looking good, man. Scroll down in here. Well, being you guys are in here, do you guys what's the actual holder count? Because DexTools is showing 545 and Etherscan is showing like 200 and something. So that's like a huge variation. It's not important. I'm just curious. Let me see here. Did
you see what Token Sniffer had for it?
Oh, I'm on Token Sniffer and I didn't even look. I will check.
I didn't know if you found it when I'd walked away or not.
I will take a look. I'm making a note here real fast. I'm making a couple notes here. I'm going to dig into that DeFi or into Shift token ordeal. Am I in the right thing? Oh yeah. Okay. Let me see here. I definitely want to find out more about that failed KYC though. That's pretty crazy. They're launching their V2 here like in the next few days. Am I correct? I can't remember what date it was, the 13th or something maybe. Man, y'all got me interested in Shibadon now. Damn it. I'll be making more degen moves now, for God's sake. Everybody don't follow me, just do your own research. But they are holding strong. Let's see here. I want to zoom in on this.
Gotta mute for a minute. Mama's calling.
Oh, you're good. That's on a little. There's some buys coming in on her. Obviously got some sells, which in this market, it's going to happen. I want to look, I'm going to go back to Etherscan real quick. Well, I'm actually still in Token Sniffer. Let's see here. Similar contracts, Jackal, Yuki, Lupinino. I don't know. I wonder if it shows bubble maps on new tokens. I don't think it shows them right away. Oh, it does show it on there. Okay. So I'm guessing this was probably a pre-sale. So the deployer here, I'd imagine, airdropped all these. That's what I'm guessing. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Creator shows orange. Creator address shown as orange. Burn address. I'm surprised it's that creator. I'm surprised it's not orange like a creator wallet. So there's a creator wallet. Got multiple links off of it. 2%, 2%, less than 1%. I smell a Shibadon AMA coming on, boys and girls. Shibadon AMA. I want to go back to their website. Not sure. I heard half of the interview Rodney had with a shift dev. Not sure which one it was. I know Heavyweight is the dev on both, and apparently he was hiding it from Ponzi for some reason. That's interesting. That's interesting. Sorry, guys. I'm just reading a couple things here. So Heavyweight is supposedly a dev in Voltnobi also. I wonder if that's confirmed for sure. Because I've done some promo stuff with Voltnobi. Actually, I was just talking to them today, and I mean, I don't know the entire dev team, but I didn't know that he was part of it, but that doesn't mean it's not true. So that's interesting, man. I want to find out more about that for sure, Shaman. The Bubble is the marketing wallet used to pay new team members and airdrops to the content. Ah, gotcha. Okay. I pull that back open real quick. What was the marketing wallet? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Gotcha. Cool. Let me see here. Sorry, guys, I'm multitasking here. Shaman, it sounds shady, but that's pretty much all the info I have, so I'm not making any assumptions at this point. Gotcha. Dude, Shaman, I'm going to dig into that, man. I want to find out. Brad has a video on the heavyweight thing. Haven't finished that video yet either. I'm definitely going to dig into all that and see what I can find out about all that for sure, man. Shibadon, I'm fixing to shoot you a DM on Twitter real quick, man. Just because things get hectic and I don't want to forget. Oh, cool. Let's see here. Trying to pull up in y'all's Twitter real quick. Shibadon. Yep, I'm following you guys. I just sent you a DM, Shibadon, just so I have a reminder for myself to follow up with y'all. Michael Scaife, how's it going, bud? Yo, appreciate y'all stopping by. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You wanna jump back on, Mike? I'm super interested in that project. I really am. If you've got a little time, I'd like you to give us the spiel, man. I'm gonna watch your whole video later when I'm not streaming, but I'd like to hear more about it, man. If you're not busy. The good thing is, Shaman, we can always go back and listen to because it's recorded. Okay, I'm multitasking here and getting sidetracked. I want to go back to. I'm actually going to go to their Twitter real quick. Why does it keep popping up? We're digging into Shibadon, boys. We're digging into it. See what's going on. Converting electricity into currency. It's the mining business. Promo video officially out. We're still in the mining business. Soon to come, gaming, metaverse, NFTs, more. That says some pretty good views. 351 views for a super new project. Yeah, y'all are on point with your graphics and stuff, man. Super cool. Shibadon is just smooth, chill, even with the current market. It really is. Oh, Adam Shelton, you piqued his interest too, huh? Shibadon. Looks like old Adam Shelton's checking her out. Mind the transactions. ETH earning increasing this morning, 92% till payout. This is going down. Maybe a good time, Chad. Yeah, man, it seems like y'all got a good thing going, man. Read between the lines done. 69 billion, 420 million circulation. I mean, the mining fees, like the stats, the money y'all are making off of it, dude, and this is just the start. As you add more miners and stuff, man, that could ramp up to a ton of money. That's wild. And mining is not going to go away, so it's pretty much a fail-safe approach. World Crypto Wire. Looking to mine ETC, CFX with our graphics cards. These aren't numbers. We'll see when the time comes. It's just a reference. Huh, cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to dig more into this, man, for sure. Shaman says, bye, Shibadon. Thank me later. For real. That's dude, it's really interesting. It is, and it's cool to see one of very few projects that's doing well right now. So Michael is
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
How's it going, buddy?
Not bad.
So we're digging into Shibadon. Shibadon has been in the house here, and I Am the Best told me about it the other day, and it actually looks like a pretty cool project.
Oh yeah.
Yep, they're doing mining. It's based off mining cryptocurrency, so it actually looks pretty cool, man. And they're, I think, one of a handful of projects that's actually in the green today during this market. They're 20% up on the week.
What is their ticker? Is it
Don-
ticker for crypto?
Don, DON.
Don. I see nothing but donkey that comes up.
Shaman says, "How much you want me to buy?" Old Shaman's fixing to buy into Shibadon.
What's up? I Am the Best.
Yeah, he told me about this project the other day, and I started digging into it after the stream and looking into it. I was trying to just put it all together, and then got sidetracked and never finished thoroughly researching it. But
It's had a couple of run-ups.
my interests are peaked now. I'm gonna dig into it more and talk to the devs for sure.
202K. Okay.
Did you find it, Mike?
Yeah, I found it. I had to dig through a bunch of donkey, but
Haha.
I found it eventually.
See, yeah, I told this. Yeah, he told me about it a few days ago, man. It is still early. It's really early, especially in a down market. Because if it's uptrending right now, imagine what it does if we somehow could get into even a decent run. Not say a bull market, but if we could even get in a decent run where Bitcoin went back up into the 40,000s. Or even close to 40,000, this project could absolutely take off, man. They basically have 50% liquidity in ratio with their total market cap. Market cap's 202,000, liquidity's almost 96 grand. That's crazy.
It started back in March. Wow.
However much I should invest, let me borrow that amount. I got you as soon as I take initial out. LOL. I emptied my Coinbase exchange and it was that's funny.
20% in a week. 1% today. Well, almost 2.
I'm gonna jump back on their Twitter real quick.
But I came back on for a few minutes. I got to go do some yard work before it gets too late over here in the
Gotcha.
Northwest.
Yep. So how'd you feel about that that interview you just did about that project, about Fusion?
It's from what I looked into it, I mean, you get, once you stake, you get 2% daily rewards. And on the reflections, you get 10% in BSUD.
Oh, really? Okay.
BUSD.
That's cool.
Yeah. There's a 25% penalty on initial sales.
If you sell too early? Or what?
It's on the initial sales. So say,
gotcha.
Yeah. You buy, let's just say 30,000.
Yeah.
You sell 20, you get to 25% on initial sales.
Okay.
0% tax on reflection sales. So whatever your reflections you receive, like those 10%, no tax on when you sell those.
I'm taking my camera off for a second. I'm listening now.
But it's auto rewards every 15 minutes. Like I said, tax-free sales on reflections, auto Binance USD reflections. The total supply is just 100 million. If you get into the pre-sale, one BNB gets you 30,000.
What's the minimum buy-in?
0.5 BNB.
Okay, which is really nothing as cheap as BNB is right now.
Right.
Where is the pre-sale? Is it on Pink Sale?
It's on Pink Sale.
Okay.
There is a whitelist, but the whitelist only has 10 minutes to buy.
Oh, okay.
So if you
is
don't
there
buy
a hard cap or on it?
Yeah, the soft cap is 500 BNB. The hard cap is 1,000 BNB.
Okay.
From the time I joined the Telegram, there was like 2,200 in there. Now it's 33, almost 3,400.
Okay.
What's the minimum buy?
The minimum buy in the pre-sale is 0.5 BNB.
That's not bad.
No.
Sorry, when Mama calls, especially when she's out of town, I better answer the damn phone.
Oh,
Some extra right now. I would probably jump in, though. I am the best. I am the best. I'm interested, man. Like I said, I sold out a couple things yesterday while I was still in the green, anticipating a bigger tank. So I've got some free funds, which I really don't want to do degen plays right this second with the market, but I'm interested in both these projects, Fusion and Shibadon. So I'm my ears are definitely perked up about it. Sorry, Mike, I kind of cut you off. Go ahead, man.
No, you're good. You're good, man. There's say if you don't get into the pre-sale, there is a 10% buy tax.
Okay.
Like I said, the sales tax on initial sales is 25%.
Okay.
But that, like I said, that's only on initial sale.
Gotcha.
And then he said the dev is active in the chat, active in the Telegram. The dev did do a doxing AMA on what's that? Google something gems starts with a G. Let me go back to the Telegram or the Twitter.
Golem's gems.
Golem's gems. Yep. That's
Okay.
it.
Here's a result from the web.
Google's talking to me.
Not to cut you guys off, but charts and everything else. I don't know if it's going to be another bear trap, but Bitcoin and ETH are both on the rise right now.
Really?
Yeah, because I looked at some of my plays while I was talking to Mama, and both my AMP and my Jasmine were up. And I was like, why are these up? So I went and I looked, and they've gained a little bit. Let's just hope it's just not a fake.
Right.
Mike, I am the best said that pre-sale looks good. It does look good. It's definitely interesting, man.
It does.
Same thing. I want to talk to the devs. I might reach out to them. Hopefully they'll respond quick, because that would be a deciding factor on thinking about even getting into the pre-sale.
I got a BNB just sitting there waiting. I think this is the one that I'm going to try.
Dude, look at this. This is completely random, but you know how the news stories pop up on Twitter on the right side?
Mm-hmm.
Texas woman takes 52-foot yacht on joyride with drugs, riding shotgun. What? What in the hell is going on? I've got to read that real quick. Sorry. She's been charged with unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. So she stole the yacht. A woman was arrested after police said she went on a joyride on a 52-foot yacht in Galveston, a popular beach town, Monday morning. Renee Waguspak hopped aboard the boat, then sailed away from its berth just before noon. The yacht was recently listed for sale for $170,000. That is freaking hilarious. That's pretty damn funny, guys.
If it was Florida, I'd understand it, but
DNA Dimension Designs back in the house. Back in the house, baby. How's it
DNA.
going, bro? I seen you over there in Michael's chat supporting the stream.
Appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it.
Did they do a KYC and stuff? I'm sure through Pink Sale they did, but do they have any other KYCs or audits, anything like that?
I know he's going to do the dev is going to do a KYC. I don't think any of the other devs on the team is going to do it. I just know the main guy, the CEO, is going to do one.
Okay. Whitelisted. So are they definitely listed on CoinMarketCap pre-launch?
They are listed on CoinMarketCap.
That is unbelievable.
You can go to CoinMarketCap and look up FUU.
Yeah.
Man, you can see it just sitting there.
That's unbelievable, man. There's not many projects that do that.
Right.
Huh.
What's the contract address?
Let's see. Can I post it in there? Can I post it in here?
You should be able to. GNA's been running around today. Much love to everyone. Much love to you too, man. Thanks for stopping back in, bro. Appreciate it. Who else is streaming?
Anybody? Oh, go
Everybody's
ahead,
probably streaming right now.
Well, I know that they were having that Twitter space with BTFA earlier. Hobbs and Jake Kagan and all them.
That's where a lot of people are at. If anybody's got a plug for BTFA, man, I've been reaching out to Sway like steadily, man. I want to do something with BTFA or do promos for him or get him on the channel. I really want to team up with BTFA, man. I really do. I think they've got a great project going. I've done a couple of videos on them. I need to do another update one because they've had a lot of stuff going on.
I'm getting a text from the boss. All right, we good.
What'd you text her? Damn it, woman, I'm busy.
I said, Dave told me to tell you to go to hell. She said,
no, I never
Dave,
say
coming
that.
to his house
I
with the
never,
gun.
no.
Nah, they're stopping to pick up some food. I told her I don't want anything.
What?
Yeah, man, I only eat like one meal a day. And I'm like, I got to eat a meal, then snack, and then I'm good for the day. I got invited to this other token called Mama Calm. I'm like, yeah, I think I'm going to stay far away from you.
I've heard of that.
I know Shaman, right?
So that token I talked about yesterday on my video, WeWay, I'm looking through it as you guys are talking about that one. And yeah, they get listed on Bitmart Friday.
That Yeehaw, or what's it called?
WeWay.
WeWay.
It's WWY is the ticker symbol. It's on BNB, or it's on both, actually.
I thought I posted the contract address in your chat. I posted it in Teddy's chat.
They're probably like, what the F is Mike talking about, man? That's hilarious. Funny. What is it, WWY?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah, gas fees are highway robbery right now. I wouldn't mind getting into old Shibadon, but dude, I gotta wait for gas fees to go down, boys.
Yep, that's it. Both of them, the top two.
Shaman, yeehaw! Seriously, yep. I don't know. That's what I thought. That's the first thing that came to mind. I thought he said yeehaw, but it's WeWay.
That was so fun.
The week. And you said what's happening on Friday?
Bitmart listing.
That's big news. They've got about 1,350 holders.
They got
How
over
old is that?
2,000 on the Binance side.
Damn, that thing's uptrended big time.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yep, I bought in yesterday. Just a little. Just a taste.
WY.
By the way, Dave and TX, I made you guys mods on my channel.
Nice.
No. Oh.
Oh, your trend is over, Dave. Damn, that thing is doing really well. I mean, look how, God, that thing got down to 0.005. Whoever bought down during this dip over that multiple weeks is sitting good right now, man, like 10x.
Yep, just wish I would have found it back then. But the only reason why I even dug that far into the charts was because I was looking for something that was up yesterday.
That's crazy, man.
So I put the Teddy curse on it.
Please tell me you got out of that one that I showed
Snoopy?
you. Yeah.
Yes, I finally did. I thought I still held it. I forgot that I had sold.
No, good.
I took a little bit of a loss, but not that bad.
That's good.
Yeah, it reminds me of Yahweh. Yep. We're talking about the Lord now, boys and girls. Yahweh.
Teddy's watching.
Yeah, I was looking at their Telegram.
GGG watching.
They're definitely Eastern European and Russian.
The Teddy curse is real. Oh, is Teddy watching my stream from his stream? That's funny.
Yep, I put the Teddy curse on that.
Is Michael? Is he just falling asleep, or is he froze? Oh yeah, he's still alive. I thought your screen was froze for a second. GGG. So yeah, this thing is ripped. Me personally, I will not buy this right now because it is almost at an all-time high. But that's definitely something to watch.
Yeah, especially with the only reason why I bought in last night is I'm up just a hair right now. On the B&B side was the Bitmart listing on Friday. I figure it might get a little bit. It might get a little bit of a pump on Friday, and then I will, But if the market starts moving up, who knows?
You never know, man. That thing could absolutely rip. Yeah, Teddy. So if you're listening, bud, we've got Shibadon. Shibadon, the ticker's DON. Shibadon was in the chat earlier. I'm the best is still here. Definitely something I'm interested in. You might want to take a look at it there, Tedster. And then we've got Fusion.
No, he's off.
We got Fusion, and then this is another. That's pre-sale starting tomorrow or Friday. And then we've got old WeWay to kind of keep an eye on. It's pretty cool to see some of these low market cap projects. Well, this one's not really a low market cap. They're, I guess you could call it that, 165 million. That's not super low, but
only 20% of the supply of tokens is out right now. That's another thing that's concerning.
That is concerning. When's more releasing?
That I did not see.
Because if they have like a big release in the near future, man, that could tank it.
Yeah. Where did I see that? Oh, it was in the Telegram. That's right.
All right, gentlemen, I got to bounce back off. Go get ready. Get this yard work done before nightfall hits.
All right, buddy. Well, I appreciate you coming by, man. Definitely. I'm interested in the old Fusion. I'm going to do some more research on it tonight.
Oh, that's right. WeWay does staking. That's why it has a lot locked up.
Gotcha.
Oh, excuse me, man. Didn't expect
Right
that
now,
to
the circulating supply is 3 trillion, and it's only a $10 trillion total supply, or 10 trillion token total supply.
Okay.
But they do staking. I forgot about that.
Staking is good.
All right,
Yeah.
gentlemen, I'm out.
All
Catch
right,
you guys
buddy.
All
later.
right, Michael.
Have a good night,
one,
Mike.
bud.
I see Bleeves has Crypto Keef from Hex on his channel right now. Teddy's got his stream going. Dang, UST is back up to over 83 cents now. I cannot believe that it's stabilizing, man. That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's that
it's
voodoo
stabilizing.
magic of angel investors you were talking about earlier.
Yep. Has to be. Has to be, man. Yeah, BTC is almost back up at 30 grand.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
That's something.
Both Ethereum and BTC are in the last hour up 1.8% and 2.2% respectively.
Gonna do a fake out and wreck some more people before the night's over?
God, I hope not. The only reason why I knew that they were going up is I was looking at my Jasmine and my AMP, and I was like, hey, they're both gaining. Why are they gaining? And so I dug a little bit.
Dang, Gala Games is down to around 7 cents.
It was at 5 cents earlier.
That's crazy, man.
Considering that people like Zach and them were talking about that they were buying at 16.
I bought some the other day at 13.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Michael said later. Did you get your Cloud9 NFT
is
yet?
Almost at 9.
I didn't, Eric. I want to get a Cloud9 NFT. I really want. I was watching Cryptobolics. I can't remember whose channel he was on yesterday. But I like him, man. I think he means well. I need to get a Cloud9 NFT. I really do.
Oh, Kronos made it back up to 20 cents.
What are those Cloud9 NFTs? What's that series called? That one that they're dropping now? You've got to like, is it Rambo or something like that? GGG's in the chat. Legal Aliens back in the building. We're going strong, Legal. We're almost hitting the 3-hour mark, bro. Legal, you want to jump on for a minute? You can. You're probably busy, but you're welcome to. I can shoot out or Teddy, I know you're streaming, but y'all are more than welcome to jump on the stream if you'd like to. I can shoot out a invite. JJ2407, how's it going? Or JJL2407. GGG's in the chat, baby. The bottom 5%ers are taking over the world, guys. One day at a time. Just pumping that monster down.
So leaving that alone.
Let's see here. I think old Teddy Ganja made him some money today because he he bought UST on that big dip, man, from what I understand.
Oh, damn.
He scored, man. He absolutely scored. Shaman says, jump on, Legal. Maybe you can hit that 1K again. For real. Table Man, what's good, man? Thanks for stopping by. GGG. Yes, sir. All day, every day. Hey, we need to do some Legal and Teddy. We need to do some collaboration merch, some collaboration shirts, 5%ers or something degen related, and all have our logos on it or something. That'd be cool. Some badass shirt. Do something super cool. Table Man.
Okay, what am I missing with the GGG?
Ganja Goons gang, man. Teddy's stream. They're the triple G's.
Throw his link down in there because I'm not sure I'm following him.
Teddy?
Yeah.
Shame
I'm
on
looking.
you.
I'm
Shame
looking.
on you.
I don't see it.
That's just something else. I'm disappointed, Dave.
Well, I'm sorry.
The chat is disappointed.
Well, throw the link in there so I can do it.
Yeah, for real, Dave, or legal, right?
That's okay.
Legal's
I already
shaking his damn
unfollowed
head.
you. I unsubscribed to you earlier, legal, so
That's an
it's not
automatic
that big of a
boot.
deal.
That's hilarious. That's pretty funny. I want to pull up in that UST chart real quick. So
yeah, nope, I did not have Teddy's channel. I do now, though. So he has another subscriber.
Yeah, the Luna stablecoin UST, I mean, they had to have had some investors come in and take the bait on that 50% off and throw in money. That like billions of dollars had to have come in to be stabilizing this thing.
I'm still subscribed, legal. You're 2 away. Yeah, and
Guys,
don't take 4 subs from me. Shit. I'm not even at 50.
Has anybody ever seen a stable coin, which is supposed to be pegged to $1, drop below 30 cents and then rebound back up to almost 84 cents in one day? That's insane. Like, who would ever think that you could swing trade a freaking stable coin? That's insane. That's absolutely insane. That's damn near a 2x, right? Legal gets to take 4 subs from you now, Dave.
Nope.
I knew you were one of them.
Denied.
100% table man. I mentioned it in a video I put out like in the late last night, and I've been reading a lot about it, and I talked about that at the beginning of the stream. Blackrock and Citadel, man. They bought a bunch of UST, like millions and millions of dollars worth of it, shorted UST, and then dumped their UST and wrecked Luna and UST ecosystem. And then they made all the money because they shorted it. Nice. Shaman says, I'm sub to all of you with like 5 accounts. Hell yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking about, man. DJ
Damn,
Award.
if Shaman's got 5 accounts on me, then I really have no subscribers.
Tailman, show me on this doll where Blackrock touched you. For real. Yep. Now, I think that conspiracy is accurate, table man. I'm sure you probably feel the same, because I mean there's a lot of evidence. I mean, I was seeing some posts earlier on Twitter. I mean, there was like thousands of bot accounts basically posting the same thing over and over all over Twitter today, talking about how Luna was basically destroying itself just to spread more FUD about it. So, and they all had the same exact wording in their posts, so you know it was bots. Rambo, yep. Crash Dave dropped his link in the chat. BlackRock will own everything and rent it to us at a very high price, as we'll own nothing and we will be happy. Basically, it's basically what they do now. It's BlackRock and Vanguard. They control everything and we'll control crypto. Yeah, they will. Like, it's just basically going to be, can people play the game and make money? But it's inevitable. BlackRock basically is in control of the world. And Citadel is the group that wrecked all the GameStop and AMC investors a year or so ago. And they're saying that Citadel is part of this, along with BlackRock, to short this UST and try and wreck it. So Dude, if Do Kwon, the founder of Luna, saves this project from what happened, if he saves this and turns this around and they survive, that'll be like the biggest comeback in crypto market history, in my opinion. I don't know anything else that would be even close.
What, you talking about Saitama? No, I'm kidding.
Hell no. It is scary, Table Man. It is. My brother, he's big time into like conspiracy theories and studies a lot with like things BlackRock's doing and just different shit that's going on in the world. And some of it seems kind of far-fetched, but a lot of it doesn't. And yeah, he's told me stuff, man. We've chatted a lot about it, and dude, it's freaking scary, man. It is super, super scary, the shit that they're doing, man. Eric GGG in the chat. Eric C's back in the house. We're still going strong. 3 hours and 54 seconds. Still rocking it, man. Very scary. And so many people have no clue and won't believe you. And yeah, no. If like some of the stuff me and my brother talk about, he's more into it than I am. Because a lot of it just gives me anxiety. So I don't even like discussing a lot of shit that's going on. But yeah, if you study into a lot of that stuff with like BlackRock and everything, and if you talked about it to the general public, people would think you're freaking nuts. Like they would never believe
you're
it.
some kind of conspiracy theory.
Yeah, they would never ever believe it. And it is what it is. Believe it or not, shit still happens, man. Whether people believe it or not.
Yeah.
Yep. Tinfoil hat time, baby. Let's go.
Give me a second, guys.
Yeah. I try not to go down the whole conspiracy theory rabbit hole too far, man. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But I mean, so far from where Luna was at, UST was at this morning, Luna is like, if it's between the two tokens, their stablecoin UST and the Luna coin, they'll just let Luna go to zero. They're going to save their stablecoin. That's their main focus, is their stablecoin. But dude, man, if they come back, bro, that's going to be something. But the scary part is if it is true that BlackRock and Vanguard and Citadel and all that are behind all this shit trying to wreck them, which blockchain is going to be the next one they attack? Which successful project out there is going to be the next one that they try to obliterate? This eventually led to spirituality. That's where the shaman comes. Yeah, I agree, man. Yeah, spirituality. Yeah, it's a much better focus, because a lot of that conspiracy stuff, man, it's wild. Jet fuel doesn't melt streak beams. Right on. Yeah, I know. I've heard a lot of crazy stuff about that. USDT. So USDT is actually pegged to the dollar. Like that one's USDT or USDC are probably the most stable, but UST is Luna's version of a stable coin. But the problem is, like USDT is actually backed by the dollar. So like that's what keeps it stable. But UST isn't completely backed by the dollar. Like they're backed by reserves of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency assets. So when the market tanks, their backing for the UST coin tanks. And basically, long story short, when UST starts dropping away from the dollar mark, they need to like sell Bitcoin or whatever their assets are to inject more money back into UST to stabilize it and keep it pegged to that dollar. But I found out that, Luna's over a $30 billion company on a normal day, and they don't have like an automatic engagement on their contract. Like when it starts unpegging from that dollar, there should be automatically like Bitcoin and whatever being sold or whatever has to happen transferred into UST to stabilize it, but it doesn't happen automatically. It's not built into the contract to automatically happen. So they have to manually sell and transfer funds to be able to stabilize it. Well, any other stable coin has like an automatic function to help keep it stabilized. So that's absolutely insane that they didn't have that automatic function. And by the time that they caught it, UST was already tanking bad. Melt steel beams. Blackrock will push USDT as their main and destroy. Yeah, exactly. I agree, man. They don't want other projects out there to succeed, because then they'll lose some of their control. Which, who gives a shit? Why do they have to control everything? But
I thought about coming back with an ASMR, but I decided against it.
But it's worrisome though, because I mean, Luna is a huge project. They're a huge ecosystem. I looked at their I'll pull it open. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, it's just a shit coin. It just tanked. It's not a shit coin at all. It's an entire ecosystem, man. I'll show you the graph. It just shows all the projects. Ecosystem. I mean, look at this. These are all projects in the Terra Luna ecosystem. I mean, that's as big of an ecosystem as Kronos or Avalanche or any of those. So, for Luna to fail like it's doing, it's just as disruptive as if we woke up tomorrow and Kronos was dropped down to, less than a penny, or Avalanche or Solana or any of those. So it's a big deal, and I guarantee you that it is having a huge impact on the entire crypto market, because this happened too, on top of it already being a bear market. So, man, it's just unfortunate. So it's scary though, because any of the other projects like Kronos or whichever Matic or whichever one you believe in or like, if they start being too successful, is BlackRock going to do the same thing to them and kill their entire ecosystem just so that they can have control? Before crypto, I was going to start a conspiracy channel. Then 2020 censorship came. But I seen that the other one that was hit really hard in the Terra Luna ecosystem was Anchor Protocol. And I almost bought into Anchor Protocol recently because it looked super solid. It's basically a protocol for staking, like stablecoin, like you can stake UST, and I think it was like 18 or 19% APY, which is insane on a stablecoin for staking. But it just got obliterated alongside Luna and UST today, or the past few days.
See, I always get Anchor and Anchor Protocol mixed up.
Yes, yeah, they're two different things. Let's see. Let me just go to CoinMarketCap. The crazy part is I've studied so much on crypto especially the past year. Like, I did not have near this knowledge if I look back a year ago to date on anything in the crypto space. A lot of props are to YouTube and Twitter, and all of us in the community.
Oh, come on, a year ago
sharing knowledge. I mean, a lot of us, not just us YouTubers, but like just the subscribers in general, like a lot of us have became friends and, just sharing knowledge and stuff, man. I have learned so much. It's absolutely unreal. I'm sure you too, huh, Dave?
This time last year, I was actually cussing out Elon Musk for dumping Dogecoin.
Me too.
Because that happened last week.
Yep. On Saturday Night Live.
Yep.
I mean, you see Anchor Protocol is at 29 cents. I was going to buy it. I don't know. It was probably God, it had to have been in the past month or so when I was, just looking at new projects to jump into. I mean, it was up to almost $6 in March. Holy shit. So it was almost $6 in March of this year. So I wonder, it must have been no, it was after that. I think it was down in here somewhere around one of these dump offs, probably right in here, beginning of April. It was pretty recent when I was looking at it. So 250 something, ran back up to 340, 350-ish. And it's been on a downtrend. Went back to 213. But from 213, just within less than a week, and now it's down to 29 cents. And it was down further than that earlier today.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh shit, it was down to 14.77 or 0.1477 cents. Just turned into nice. That's what I'm talking about, Shaman. That's a good investment right there, my brother. Yes, sir. That's what I've been doing. I've been sticking a lot of my degen money, just little odds and end money into Crow or the Kronos ecosystem, MM Finance. Nothing about crypto.
Make sure when you guys are using your crypto.com app that you, on the main page, scroll all the way down. Everybody usually just goes straight to their investments or to whatever they're tracking.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom and do the missions.
Mission? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That's a good point to bring up. I do that every day. So yeah, if you go on the crypto.com, there's a missions tab, and you just do a check-in every day. You click on the missions tab and check in, and it awards you 1 diamond every day for checking in, and then you store it in the vault, I think it's called.
Mm-hmm.
And after you get up to 25 diamonds, you can cash that in for Crow coin, or you can hold it longer and cash it in for other things. But and you earn those diamonds also on crypto.com if you I think if you swap tokens, if you buy $20 or more in tokens, stuff like that, so you can add up those diamonds quickly, and it's free Crow coin you can get.
Yeah,
it's just a little bit, but it adds up, man. I've gotten a bunch off of it.
Yeah, the smallest one I ever got was 0.2 Crow, and the largest one was 1.5.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Table hunt, man. My first was Shinja when launched. That's the first one you really got into. Did you take profits when it ran up, or were you diamond handing it at that time? I was diamond handing still back in those days. Seems like it was 10 years ago.
Oh, table saving for soccer matches. Nice.
Pumping. Gas is 90 set. Oh man. I get on. Yeah, I do too. Yeah, it's just tips for you guys. If you use crypto.com, definitely go to missions, and you can also, I think it's like once a month in that missions tab. There's a crypto, I think it's called crypto.com University, something like that. It's under that tab, and you click on it and it'll take you to like just learning about whatever their topic is in crypto. So you read through it, read through the article, which actually they're pretty interesting. You can learn some stuff, and I believe it awards you like 5 diamonds, and you can do that like once a month, I think. So
they put a new tab in there now. They got Crypto Masters and Crypto University.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's just a little bit of Crow you get awarded, but dude, it's free. Why not? What if Crow goes to $100 one day?
Well, that's the reason why I keep going to my Coinbase account too, because they have that earn and learn.
Yeah.
I've made like $60 in that since I opened my account a year ago.
Yep, Coinbase does that too. Yep, I have too. They have some NFTs for 300. I'm saving for the ticket to soccer match. That's cool. Hell yeah, dude. That'd be awesome. I seen that on the other day. Right now they have some NFTs for 300. Who's got NFTs for 300? Yeah, Crowcoin's where it's at, man.
In their store from the diamonds, they have NFTs you can buy for 300
Oh, that's
diamonds.
right. Yeah. Yep, I seen that. I just seen that the other day. And exploration. Cool. Diamond shop. Yep. Yeah, because could you imagine if you checked in every day, let's just say in a year's time, just on the low end, what if you got 50 crow coins, 50 crow. And what if that
that's
ever
how
went
quick
to
you can do the
$100,
university.
dude?
I just did it while we were talking about it.
Yeah, you basically just scroll through the article.
Mm-hmm.
And then it'll award. Is it five diamonds?
3.
3 diamonds?
It's 5 diamonds to do a buy or sell of $20 or more.
Yeah.
60 diamonds to do $500 buy or sell in a single day. And then the Crypto Masters is Crypto University.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
And they do a new mission once a month because it says my next mission will be in 20 days.
Yep. That's cool.
I'll tell you one thing. The Rising Sun Telegram sure does go apeshit.
Yeah, it does. I was in there the other day. They are going to be on my channel tomorrow night.
Oh, you finally decided to announce it.
Nope. That's
Friday, this other announcement. Okay.
Yeah.
Dang it. I thought I was going to get that out of you.
I've got CVC, Coin View Cap will be on tomorrow night at, I believe, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And let's see, then Rising Sun after that. So back-to-back AMAs tomorrow night, guys. So y'all tune in. I've got them announced on YouTube. I shared it on Twitter. So if you guys get a chance, go share it and try and rally the troops. Come hang out. Rising Sun, I haven't done a complete deep dive into it, but I've talked to the dev and stuff, and it's a really, really cool project, and he's super nice guy, man. So I'm interested. I can't wait for that one.
Yeah, just make sure you get NFT Queen to log in.
Oh yeah, for sure. Let's see here.
Yeah, I've got some messages out to WeWay now. I'm gonna see if I can get somebody on. But Baffles also has that one now too. So
I'm waiting to get a time confirmed for my Friday AMA. But I'm super excited for my Friday AMA. I will announce that as soon as I have a confirmed time. I'm just waiting for the team to let me know. Rising Sun. Yep. Let's see here. I'm going to just pull open. Rising Sun. Rising Sun coin. Legal Alien's been I think he's doing a partnership with them and doing some stuff with them. Let's see, what's their latest announcement? Due to the market conditions, we've decided to extend the BSC launch for 2 weeks. Smart move. I figured they would. Because they're pre-sale, because they're on the Ethereum network and they've been doing well. And they were bridging to BNB on the BSC network, and I think the pre-sale went live yesterday or today, but they actually extended it for 2 weeks, so that's good. I figured they would do something like that because the market just sucks right now for pre-sales.
Dang it. That'll be like 5 days away from my payday.
She will give it Rising Sun. You've been warned, LOL. Yeah. If you're talking about Miss NFT Queen, she'll come in with the heat. Let's sub, guys, to TX Tornado. Yes, y'all bring in some friends, bring in family. Help me get this channel growing, man. I'm pumped. I can't wait to announce my Friday one though, man, because they're holy crap, my dogs are soaked. The sprinklers must be on. Come here. Come here. And I just pet. I think she's a little wet. She is soaked.
Oh, good God.
She is absolutely soaked. You are wet. You're wet. Why did you go out there in the sprinklers? Say
Because
hi.
it's fun and it's hot outside.
Say hi. Tiny, are you wet too? Come here. And this is Malachi. He's not wet. He's smart. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Past reminds me of Imperial Jap.
Oh my God. I say her name and she shows up.
Yep. She's probably got me tuned in the background. She's doing something. That's what she was doing the other night. That's funny. Or her ears were burning. She's like, "Hey, they're talking about me on TX's channel." Oh, you did an AMA with them last week. I wasn't impressed, but they are. Yeah, they. I've just briefly talked to them on a Twitter space and stuff, and a little bit outside of there, and super nice, man. Super nice. So, I just want to get them on the channel, just to let everybody be able to, form an opinion on it and see what they think. I love it. You say someone's name in this chat and bam, they are here. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Teddy popped in right when. Yeah, he did, didn't he? That's crazy. We got some magical stuff happening over here in the tornado stream, y'all. Yeah, Miss NFT Queen is everywhere. I see her anytime I'm in the stream. I usually see her. I've had you on the TV, LOL, on Terry's account. Funny, I thought I had you pulled up on my laptop and wasn't paying attention. I typed that comment. That's funny. Michael did that earlier.
Channel, though? Whose channel?
Whose channel did you do it in? Michael Scaife did that earlier. He was in here and he was trying to drop a contract address and he accidentally dropped it on Teddy's stream.
Yeah.
Remember that stream, Wall Queen? Yep, it is the Vortex. This is the Vortex stream. And everybody will be here before it's over.
Come on, I only need 2 more. Then I'll be at 50 and I'll be happy.
Nice.
Well, I'll be happy for now.
Yep, go subscribe to Crash Dave. Show him some support.
I actually probably need to get off here soon so I can get me something to eat and make some content for tonight.
I know. I need to eat something here pretty quick and do the same. I've got a couple other things I want to make little videos on. Yeah, I've got both AMAs tomorrow night. And then I've got an AMA on Friday, which I haven't announced who yet. I will as soon as I find out a time. I'll put it out there. And then I have an AMA next Monday night with MediToken. They're a low market cap, super low market cap, super nice people. I've talked to them. They're very nice. They reached out and they've got a good thing. What they're doing is a good thing. It's the token for first responders is their slogan. So I'm interested to just hear more about the project when they come on here.
Yeah, definitely.
Shaman Saturday, I wrote in Jeremy's stream instead of this. That's funny. I erased it, but he still read it when he got to. That's hilarious. That is so funny. Tableman subbed. You got Tableman on board, Dave.
Oh, let me go refresh over here.
Did you gain one?
I gained one.
Nice.
I'm at 49.
I bet Jeremy's probably streaming tonight. Doesn't he stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday?
He is not streaming right now.
He usually streams a little bit later.
It's just Believes in You, at least to the ones that I subscribe to.
Believes, Pablo Crow, and then Cryptos are. Do y'all follow Cryptos R Us? I am George.
No.
He he was big into Luna, man. He got wrecked bad, but he has some really, really good information. I'm gonna drop him in the chat because y'all go check out. He's got a lot of subscribers, man.
That's not through the grapevine. Rodney's doing his giveaway every night, and he missed last night.
Gas fees are crazy. Yeah, what are gas fees at right now?
Yeah, I was about to do the same.
Man, once streaming gets going, it goes by so quick. I can't believe it's been 3.5 hours. Like, I just enjoy it. You know what I mean? It's like I could just keep going, but I know I've got other stuff to do.
86. Whew.
Is that, yeah, I'm gonna refresh this PSA. It was like 144 just a little bit ago, so it's came down a little bit. That's not like Shibadon token purchase level yet for me, though. It's gotta come down lower than that.
Oh yeah. Well, it's what, Wednesday night? You could probably jump in and get it in the 40s at about midnight. Probably. It's pretty predictable. So I was thinking about what we were talking about, and Mama wanting to, not streaming every Saturday night. So instead of shitcoin Saturdays, I could just do shitcoins at 7. And then I could do it whatever night I want. And then just pick whatever day is convenient for everyone. Oh, refreshing again. Gavin said, Dave, I just subscribed to me. Nice. Thanks, Gavin. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. Thanks so much, man. Yep, I definitely need to go and make content then. We all gonna make it in this space together. Shaman says, you got one more, Dave. Got you one more, Dave. That's awesome, man. Oh, 51. Nice. Woo! Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm going to look into some of the stuff we've been talking about tonight, and then I want to do another update on the whole Luna thing. I'll probably drop a video here in a little bit about that. Then I've got one other kind of review, not a review, an update video on a project I have to drop because I told them I would. So, but yeah, y'all considering. Go ahead. Sorry. Y'all remember to set your reminders for the old AMAs tomorrow night. Keith will be on with CoinView Cap, and then Rising Sun after that. And then y'all be ready, waiting for that announcement for my Friday one. So it may not be that big a deal, but for me, it's a really big deal. Like, I'm super excited about it. I just did not imagine. That's going to help. I didn't imagine that they would reach out and say, "Hey, let's do an AMA on your channel." So I'm super actually humbled by it. And that's what they told me. They said, we're very supportive of newer YouTubers that make good content and are honest, and they want to help make those people grow in the space. So super cool, man. Super, super cool. I'm excited. Oh, I got to drop in. Let's see here. Cryptos are us. While you're working on that. So I can't believe that I dropped my first video, which was just I wanted people to tell me what they thought of my intro 2 weeks ago, and now I got 50. If I can do 50 subs every 2 weeks, I'd be happy. Oh, for sure, man. Because not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before, I only had 10 subscribers. Did you really? Pretty much, yeah, it was pretty much family. It's coming together, man. Yeah, I just need to make more instructional content and get away from, the death of strange Inu and, my little ray of sunshine that I did yesterday. Absolutely not, Mrs. NFT Queen. Absolutely not. No, it's Saitama. No, hell no. Absolutely not. Here's the link for another YouTuber I've been watching since sometime last year. He's got like 630,000 subscribers, but he kind of goes over just a lot of crypto news and stuff, and I like listening to him. I listen to him
just get caught up on some stuff. He's doing a lot of deep diving into this Luna thing. Yo, I'll do Russ. Dude, honestly, Miss NFT Queen, I would. If Russ would come on my channel, I'm not I'm not one way or the other towards Saitama. Like, I exited my position quite a while ago, and I want all projects to succeed. If they mean well, and
that's my content for tonight. Sorry, didn't mean to say that out loud.
If they mean well and are doing what they're supposed to be doing, and they're trying to build a good project, I want to see all of these DeFi projects make it. So I'm not a hater of Saitama or a lover. I'm just neutral on it. But I would absolutely have Russ come on here and talk to him. I 100% would do it. Why not? Why not? Miss NFT Queen, she can jump on too. She'll be the co-host. I always search Crow videos. Yeah, me too. Me too. So, Tableman, I don't know. You may have been in my Chrono streams, but I'm trying this past few days. I've been busy and I haven't been able to keep up with it, but I'm trying to do like 2 or 3 live streams a week focused on Chronos. We usually get derailed before the end of the stream on, if we have, other people jump on the stream or just go down some rabbit hole another way. But I'm trying to do 2 or 3 a week, focusing on pretty much solely on Chronos Chain projects. So make sure and check those out, man. I'll try and drop one here in the next few days. I was not doing another AMA. No, probably not, dude. That's probably all she wrote for AMAs for him, man.
Yeah.
You can do a video that says how I try not to crash Dave's crypto. You could do it, man.
No, I am going to, tonight's video, since I really haven't gotten, I need to break down and figure out what my next instructional video is going to be. I'm going to tell my Saitama story.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do it. You'll get some views on it, I guarantee you.
Yeah.
I was pretty fortunate. I mean, I lost a little bit of money on it. I didn't make money on that. Just I would have if I, like everybody else, like a broken record, if I'd have sold at the top, I'd have made pretty good money. I didn't have a lot in it. I wasn't putting big amounts of money into crypto at that time, but so I didn't get wrecked like a lot of people did. I either close to broke even or I was down just a little bit. I'd have to, double check it all and see exactly, but yeah, I mean, I'm watching Terra Luna so hard right now to see if it dropped below $1. Yeah, that's what I keep thinking, man. If it gets below $1, I've got some funds sitting on the side. I'm like, dude, I mean, it's risky, but it could be a possible swing trade, because if it gets below $1, I think more people will buy it, and there's a chance that it could, pump to even $2 or $3. But there's also always a chance that if it goes below $1, that it just absolutely tanks and goes to zero.
No, Shaman, you'd be surprised by my story.
Hi, my name's Crash Dave, and this is how.
What? It went below $1?
Did it drop below $1? This is wrapped Luna. I don't know if that'll reflect the same price or not. Oh, damn. 85 cents?
Yeah, double check that. Make sure you're looking at the right one.
It might not be the right one.
I'll check CoinGecko real quick.
89 cents? 90 cents? I think that's right.
Let's see. Terra is 75.
there could get some buying pressure and pump back up to $2-3.
I've got 94 cents on CoinGecko.
It's showing 89.87 on Dex Tool, so pretty close. So it's below $1. Wow. Buy. I bought some Luna, dollar, Australian dollar, smoking opium. Yeah, dude, if you don't put a lot into it, like, you just realize, like, there's a chance that you could just lose the money. Dude, a guy could make some money on it, man. You could. I'm nervous about it. I don't know if I should do it or not. The thing that makes me hesitant about it is because their main focus, Luna's main focus, is their stablecoin, the UST. That's their main focus, to save that. So at this point, I mean, I'm sure they care, but they don't give a shit what happens with Luna right this second. They're trying to stabilize their UST back to the dollar, so it's pegged with the dollar again, which they actually been doing pretty good. It's up in like the 80-some cent range. Well, let's look real quick. It dropped back down a couple cents, but it was almost 81 cents for a little bit there. Actually, for maybe half an hour or so. But I can't believe that. I mean, it was down to 29 cents earlier today. So for it to be back up to this, I mean, they must have had some huge investors come in and help bail them out, because they were on E. Their gas tank was empty earlier today. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, I think I'm fixing to cut out too, Dave. We're over at
sounds good.
3.5.
I've already started to work on my content for tonight.
Oh, nice.
Sorry.
I'm fixing to also. I'm going to snack on something, and then I'm going to start working on a couple videos I need to make real quick.
All right, y'all. Sounds like a winner. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for the extra subs.
Yeah,
Tornado,
for sure.
Appreciate it. Thank you for allowing me to sit in here and put my 2 cents in on a few things.
Absolutely, man. That's what we're here to do. Hang out.
All right. Yeah. And I will have my Saitama story out here in a few hours.
Nice. I'll be looking forward to it. I'm going to watch your other video too while I'm eating. Check out the one from last night. You bet, Shaman. Absolutely, man. Yeah, I'll do an update video on Luna UST here in a little bit. I've got another short just promo update video I need to do on a project, and if I come across any other breaking news, I'm trying to do. I want to be able to do like breaking news, just short videos, if I can catch the news in time, just to put it out there, just to give a quick breakdown of what's going on with certain situations. But I've got those AMAs tomorrow. I did just get a confirmation for my Friday stream for a time, but we're actually going to be moving it to Monday, because that's when it's going to work for the dev team to all be able to join. So y'all be on the lookout. I'm fixing to drop it on who the project is that's coming on, and it'll be scheduled for Monday.
But you got confirmation, so you could announce it right now and give us the scoop, who have been with you for 3 hours.
I could do that. And it may not be a big deal for everybody, but for me, like it's an accomplishment, and just how they approached me about it, and said that they've been watching my stream and my videos, and that they complimented it a lot, which was super humbling, man. Like, I had no idea that, that many people actually watch and care, but I'll officially announce it. Let me see. Let me make sure that they gave me the time. So Monday, you guys heard it here first. You heard it here first. I'm going to announce it in a little bit. Monday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, we will be welcoming the WAGME dev team on a live stream, baby. Let's go. Let's go, man. Dude, I am pumped. Let's pump it up, dude. If I had, you can play the song. You got it loaded up. Play the song for a second just to end the stream. We'll just do
let me see if I still have it there. Give me a second.
WAGME dev team will be live on TX Tornado Show Monday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, baby. I am stoked. I am so stoked. Yes, sir. That's such a huge accomplishment, man. Like, seriously, it really is. I'm just floored that they're doing that. Absolutely floored by it. I've talked to I've got a private chat group going with the dev team. I introduced all the devs, talked to Scott Herman in the background, in our private chat. Dude, I'm floored, man. I really am.
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
Yeah.
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got
Let's
to
go.
Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
Don't want to get you copyright strike.
Yeah. I crashed a lot of RC planes and got into Saitama to make money to buy more RC planes to fly high. But then November Vegas event crashed Dave's crypto.
Pretty damn close.
Yeah, Steve's been in the background. Steve's been in the background, just listening, just taking it all in. You're creating a good space with a great chat following. Why wouldn't they want to come on? Yeah, man, dude, it's humbling, man. It really is. Like I don't know what to say. It's cool, man. I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's super cool. So I appreciate everybody's support, man. So spread the word. WAGME dev team on AMA 5 p.m. Central Monday. I'll announce it here shortly. Man. Thanks, man.
Congrats.
Yeah, guys, I'm fixing to cut out, eat something, make some content, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Kronos live stream being that move to Monday. Kronos live stream Friday evening, 100% for sure.
Stay backstage for a second. I'll talk to you.
Okay, cool. All right, guys, y'all have a great night. Thanks for stopping in, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.